Igwe, now let you have respect for this full kingdom. Not only you. And the reason why they respect you now because you be a man of justice, truth and fairness. Igwe, my head won't burst too. I know they get myself. I for don't display, but they calm down because of you.
How dare you? Have you lost your mind? Have you gone mad? If you have no respect for this elder sitting down here, don't you have respect for the king of the land? We were just sitting down here discussing the impetus you exhibited before the crown prince of the land. Are you walked in here to interrupt our meetings? You must be mad.
Kata, it's okay. It's okay, please. Sit down, please. What is it? What is the problem? Why are you here? What happened?
Igwe, I hear say Lolo. Put my mama for her car boot, can't lock am for sale. Igwe, my mama. I know they use my mama play because now she they look after my sick father. I beg. Make they release my mama for me, make her come out. I beg.
And if I don't, what will happen, Chizzy? What will happen? I ask you. What will happen?
Just sit down. Can you just sit down, please? It's not a silence. Just sit down.
I'm sorry, my king. This won't work. With this act of disrespect and disregard for you, I think the best thing to do right now is to bundle this lady out of this place for interrupting our meeting.
Where you? I know they follow you here, no. Go try am. Now Igwe they follow talk, don't be you. Don't think calm. I know well, oh. They whine.
What an insult! This girl is a mad dog. Come on, Chizzy. Oh, Chizzy. Your mother actually said it. That you will eventually come for me. Go. You have come, Abi?
Lolo, what is wrong with you? Can't you listen to me when I said silence? Please.
Your Majesty.
Yes. Can you just allow me to handle this my way? Sit down. Well, Chizzy, I've heard you. Please, I need you to leave the palace. And be rest assured that your mother will be released.
Igwe. If I come out for here, my mama no come out, it no go funny o. Lolo go collect o. Amaka! Na me dey do all for. Na me dey do pepper body for you, dey mad. Carry this and put it inside the pot, make it boil. And make sure say these herbs done well.
Should I put all or are you still adding?
Go boil that one first. Don't they ask me stupid question. They come and they go village meeting. Sister.
Have the youth bought the boss chief? Onwa gave money.
And the matter they carry me go that meeting. Principal they use me they play because they give a youth president. He go understand who I be if I reach there.
Sister, do you know that he bought one big Lexus for himself? Very big one. Is it Lexus 3? I don't know the number, but he bought a big car for himself.
That one no concern me. The one where concern me be say, Prissy came back and that he useless sister go vomit that 11 million. He go understand, say I know well. He go ask question today, they mad. You see that money? He go vomit some. Make her reach there first.
Sister, I trust you. But why will the youth of this kingdom make him the president and also make his sister the financial secretary? That is improper. Very, very impossible. How did they even win self? It's so annoying.
I don't get for all this your question. See that herbs where they fire, make it done well. If they feel me, make the herbs done well. Carry Papa come outside, make son touch him body. After 3 hours, give him the herbs, make a drink. Chiamaka, make the herbs done well.
Sister, I've heard you.
I don't warn you.
People will not play with you. Every time we'll be shouting. Somebody can even have.
Hey, the helps you gave me, really worked on my husband. Even my father. If you see my father this morning, very strong.
Yeah.
This helps, you learned it very well from your late grandfather. Kai!
Mama, I did for body, now God. Mama, I have to start going. I have a meeting to attend. My sister will attend to you.
So I should give you the money?
No, give it to her. She will put the medicine in a bowl and give to you.
I have my container.
Okay, she'll put the medicine here for you. Mama, greet your husband for me.
I will, their doctor. You are their doctor now. I'm even going to collect another one.
Alright.
Oh,
bye-bye.
You really know this work. Oh no, you know what we are now.
Where is your elder brother and your elder sister?
Sister went for the youth meeting. As for brother, I don't know. Maybe he went to the youth meeting as well.
Chiamaka.
Mama? Mama, you are set to go to the market.
Yes, so let me go and get some things from the market. Munai, how are you?
I'm getting better. I thought today is the woman that's meeting at the palace. Or did you not hear the town crier last night?
Yes. Let me just quickly get to the market and buy food for you. Chiamaka, where are your siblings?
They have gone out. Sister went to the meeting.
If they come back, tell them to go to the farmer too much and clear it for me.
Yes, Mama. Mama, bring me a cancer.
You don't know you're an adult. Your mates are getting married. I say, yeah, tell him, Mama, buy me a cancer. Come and suck breast on your Allah.
Mama, if you see ice cream, you buy it too.
If I see Okpa, I will buy also.
Chiamaka.
Papa.
For some time now, your mother has not been attending the mother's meeting. Do you know why?
Well, Papa, she said that she was banned by the queen not to come to the meeting again and be suspended. I don't know. Papa, you need to take your medicine. I don't want sister to come back and start shouting at me that I did not give you the medicine as she ordered. Take.
Open a wire. Waka about. And now, Kuwale, you will call also. Once they break, you take off. No destination.
Well, Mama, good morning.
Morning.
Mama, I hope there is food at home.
There is shit. Mama Kenyo is at home. That is the only thing you know about. Food. No, there is shit at home.
Mama, see, that's not what I want to hear. By the way, where are you going to?
I'm going to the market to get something. When you get home, there is food at home.
Mama, now you're talking,
Come on, shut up your mouth. So that is the only thing you know about. When you get home, you eat with your sister. Both of you should go to the farm and clear it for me. I tell the people that will plant cassava there this year.
I've heard, Mama.
By the way, what are you doing here? You're supposed to be at the village youth meeting. What happened?
Mama, nothing happened. And those people, they're just talking and nonsense there. Prissy came by, just trying to show himself. Ma, I don't even have time for that. I'm hungry.
Where was it time? It's only food you know. That is the only language you know. Food. Emeka, be responsible. No one can cable. You are a man. Think responsibly. Think like a man.
Mama, if I don't eat, how will I be responsible?
And who will bring the food for you now? Me.
I need to eat, then I'll think of what to be doing with my life now. You're telling me I should be responsible. Will I be responsible with my empty stomach?
Do you have warm? As in, what is eating that food?
I'm a man now.
You're a man.
I'm a man. I need to eat.
You need to eat. Emeka, you need to think. You need to think and be responsible for once. Be responsible. Go home. When you get to eat your food, both of you should go to the farm. I'm coming back soon.
I've heard you.
Una. Una.
But my food is plenty.
I say Una.
My hope is plenty. You know me alone. I don't joke with food.
Hey.
All right, so like I promised you all that I am going to use my office as the leader and the prince of this kingdom to bring development and empowerment to the youth of Zumba. So with me here, I have some forms. Okay, so all you need to do is you just have to pay a little token of, say, maybe 3,000.
For here. The dust one of the yarn for you, I know they feel am. Guy, it don't pass 1 year when Chief Onwa give you 11 million. You tell us say you go use the money buy 2 shuttle buses. You tell us say you go use the money develop the youth for this community. I never see wetin dey happen no. Boss we not see. Money we not see. If they fear you, me I no dey fear anybody. I fear no man. Wetin dey occur now? Wetin dey sup? I wan know wetin dey happen no. Where the money?
See, Chizzy, what exactly are you saying? Because you just came in and just start interrupting the AOB. What is it?
Obina, I won't see boss or see money. One must fall out. I don't tire to dey wait for the boss. I don't tire.
How dare you? Huh? What part of your body do you breathe from? I mean, must you go about exhibiting your idiocy everywhere you go? You want him to what? Give you an account of what he did with the money Chief Onwa gave to the youths. As who? I don't understand. Are you okay? Are you normal? Nena Puala.
This place don't be palace, oh. This na youth meeting ground. I get right to air my opinion. You dey mad. Don't try that rubbish again. Because when we dey walk out this parole, when we dey go beg, let Chief Onwa for the money, you know that you dey UK, they flex your life. Come here, come the yellow pattern. Thunder fire you. Try him again. Guy! But they don't dey pepper me, oh. Get the money. 11 million na small money. I want to see the money, oh. Begin to talk, not be cho. Fall out the money, or fall out the boss. They won't fall out.
You know, first you walked in here and interrupted my meeting. I'll let that slide. I'll forgive you. Need I remind you, Chizzy, that I am the leader and the prince of this kingdom. Your AOB is not important. So shut up and sit the fuck down.
Yes, like he said, shut up. I don't understand. Are you the only person in this meeting? Please, excuse us. Go behind, get yourself a seat.
Look at this one. So I be like expired yogurt. If you try this process again, I go fling you. They mad. When I carry me go sit down, and they mad for this place. Try them now. Mom, when I push me and Sama sit down, put body now, and they mad.
Hold it right there. I hate you. I hate you with the venom in me. I hate you. Thank you. I am not like you. By the way, why didn't you come for the meeting I called in the palace for Amanda? Have you forgotten you suspended me from the meeting? Biko, I need to go and be with my husband. Tonda wa wogi! Lijun Siono! You are so mad for reminding me that you have a husband. Yeah, Amaka, my own husband. I am mad. Amaka, I don't understand. What is the problem? Because I want to go. I want to go. Che! How dare you stop me? Why was I like Guards! Guard again! Guard!
What? Don't do this idiot inside the boot. Don't do her. Don't do her inside the boot. Stupid woman. Idiot. Amaka. What? How dare you lay your filthy hands on me? You are so mad you're going to die inside my style. Don't do her there. Don't do her. Stupid. Let us go. Amaka, you will not like you. You will not like you at all.
When I put body now, maybe I say put body now, they're mad for this place. Hey. Put body.
Sister,
What did they trust you?
How dare you?
I don't fear you, Oga. I don't fear anybody. I fear no man. If you're not giving my 11 million, or I not see the 2 shuttle buses, Oga, I go seize your 2 phones and your key. Nothing go sup.
How dare you? Guards!
Get her.
Put body.
Get her down!
Try am! Hey! Try am! Blood go flow. Try am now. The man will be the guards. See, ma, clear you. You're a very stupid prince. You are not fit to rule this kingdom. You and your useless sister. Now they chop our money, Abi. Money where Chief Owan give you. You know what, release them. You dey flex the money. Bosses will not see. Money will not see. See, it don't be, oh. I know well, oh. If I not see that money, I go give you hits. Now go run from this kingdom, and that's on period.
MC, Jesus, this thing you are doing right now, you don't have the right at all.
Yes.
You want all the right.
How dare you choose to talk to the royal house like that? How dare you do that?
I'll punish you. Thunder fire your papa broke us. The young dust, Abi. Because the prince they knock you. Thunder fire you, man, clear you, my target. I go destroy you. I'm not well, though. Oh, no, talk rubbish again for this place. Man, not best. Bring that money. Bring that money. I'm not gonna warn you again. Otherwise, it go be for you and your entire family.
Otherwise what? Huh? Will you shut that rotten gutter you call a mouth? How shameless can you be? Exhibiting your idiocy everywhere you go. Listen, I need you to bring back that car key and phones here right now.
My advice you, just sit down. You know why? This bottle will enter your head if you don't behave yourself. I mean, just sit down now, man, not there, but you don't pepper me. Oga, bring the 11 million. I will give you your 2 votes. Otherwise, it's gone.
Hey! Look at this! Get my key! Pursue her!
Go now, go!
Go now.
Hey!
Idiot! Who? Where is she? Lift me! Come down! Cross her down! Come down! Lift me! You know your work. Yeah. You have done your work. Bring her here! Bring her! Bring the idiot here! You have done your worst. You have done your worst. No problem. Lady man, I will so deal with you that you will ever regret what you did today. You think I'm afraid of you? Amaka, you think I am afraid of you? I am not afraid of you and can never be afraid of you. No problem. If anything happens to my husband, you will hear from me. If anything happens to Declan or go war, my daughter will come for you. In fact, you will see me in a broad daylight. No problem. Go and lock this idiot! No food! No water! No visitation! I shall see how you will see that your so-called husband. Nonsense! Fool! I will wait for your stupid daughter! Idiot! Nonsense! Lock my boot up.
Oh no, Igwe, all machinery should be put in motion for them to start and complete that project before festive period begins. Consider it done, Your Majesty. Good.
Your Majesty Igwe Urumba, please, I am going to beg you for the very first time. Whatever action I take henceforth, please do not interfere.
What is the problem? And why is your face like this?
Well, I am not in the mood to say anything right now. Just respect my actions. Because I am going to teach someone a dear lesson she will never forget in her entire life.
Your Majesty, is everything okay? You are asking me? I don't understand. Yeah, were we not here before she came in?
Noble youths of Orumba, my prince, my princess, please, let us handle this thing amicably. Let us deal with this matter from another route. We don't have to go all this route. Please, let me talk to her. She will listen to me. Just let me handle this.
Chizite, you dare bring out your father's gun on me? On the youths of Orumba Kingdom? You have crossed the line.
I never cross any stupid line. Why not go follow me to my papa house? Yeah, na meeting ground. Anybody will do anything for this, we go collect woto. Bullet go enter the person body. Give me youth money, oh. Otherwise, this your 2 phones and car key, it don't go. And I tell you.
Oh, really? Really? You know what, brother? I am calling father right away. Yes. This girl needs to be banished from this kingdom. She has to rot in jail. You will regret ever acting like a frustrated mad dog.
Hey, don't insult my sister. Don't try him!
Leave her, make she call her papa. Ma clear you, your papa don't go do anything at jail. I know they fear anybody. If your papa banish me, now all of us will go to exile together, you don't whine.
What gods? What audacity? See, Chizitere. See, we the youth of Orumba Kingdom, we are not in support of what you are doing. Yes. We are not in support at all. You see, you better just bring that car key and those phones. Bring it.
Obina, may your lineage perish.
See?
You are not in support of me because they don't bribe you. They don't bribe you, Abi. They don't give you money. All of them, I don't share them. Anyways, I be one man squad. I pumpy. I gallant. I know they fear anybody. Anybody will do anything for this way, go collect woto. You dey feel me? Oga, your 2 phones and your car key is seized forever until you release the youth money when they're with you.
My children, please don't fight, please. Chizitere, give me the gun. Let me have the...
Papa, please, you people should leave. You people should leave, please.
Youths of Orumba, please, just let me handle this. She's my friend, I can talk to her. Please. Listen, let's talk man to man. Let me talk. Shut up. Shut the fuck up. Youths of Orumba.
Yes. I am your leader and your prince.
Yes.
And by the power vested on me, I command you, attack!
What are you doing? Are you crazy? What is wrong with you? Give me that thing!
Where you? If you no come out from this place, I go shoot you. Your father will hear that you have died. Get out from this place now! Don't vex me!
Yeah, she say no nonsense girl. She know they look your face. Justice must be done.
What is wrong with you?
No matter who you be, and if you give her trouble, she go give you double. Fire for fire, and she not the fear face.
See, I don't tell you. I don't tell me leave this village meeting. You the phone woman squad. They go wound you.
I go slap you. Bless you, don't they mad? Why they put your mouth in my matter? What it concern you?
See, this one don't be about waiting concern me for this matter. Eh? How you think get my evil carry the Prissy about 2 phones and a car key? Eh? Who fit do that kind of thing?
Sister, this is daring, no? This is daring. You even carried Papa's gun and threatened them. It's not good now.
They get luck say I'm not by person. Their body for surplus. Prissy are not well. If they follow me play. I'm not well, oh. May go ask question. I follow and go back Chief Onwa for that money. We take Chief Onwa say we needed the money to develop the youth in this community. We want buy 2 shuttle buses. We've all agreed say we go write our name as Orumba Youth Development for the bus. Buses we no see. Money we no see. The stupid priest chucking the money. Use the money go buy new car. Come carry old car give his sister. And the follow they talking, they speak English. It go be oh. It go be for her. You don't know me. May go ask question. I be full madness.
Chizzy, this is not how to settle matter. This is not it at all. Go and return the phones and the car key to the owner. You cannot fight a whole community. It's not possible.
Ma go return. If I try, I might die. If I try that thing, make this ground swallow me. Papa, no put your mouth for this matter. Take go beg you. Just spunk me for where you dey. Yeah, mama dey safe.
Emeka, Papa, please remain calm. I'll talk to her. All right?
Yeah, she say no nonsense girl. She know they look your face. Justice must be done, no matter who you be. And if you give her trouble, she go give you double. Fire.
Erima, what is it? Hey, thank God, Ada. What? Ada, thank God someone has finally confronted Prince Ikemba and the princess. Yes.
What happened? And why are you mentioning those criminals' names? What happened?
Ada, you missed. You missed today's youth meeting. Don't worry, I will gist you.
Okay.
Chizitere confronted the prince regarding the money late Chief Onwa gave to us to buy bus or invest in any business of our choice for the betterment of Orumba youth.
Yes, okay. I remember. You know we visited the king. But the prince disrupted us now. So he asked us to go, that you get back to us now. What happened?
That was earlier that period. About a year and few months now.
I know.
See, Chizitere confronted them today. She snatched the prince's car key and his 2 phones on the table.
It's a lie! Hey!
She left the meeting untouched, unscratched. And that is not even the end though. She snatched bottle. She dared anybody to come and challenge her, even the guards. And guess what? She left the meeting untouched, unharmed.
It's a lie. You mean all this happened today?
Yes, so. Today, just this afternoon. Do you know what? The prince commanded us to go to her father's house to attack her. And guess what?
I'm not good at gazing now. What is it?
Chizitere brought her father's gun. She shot in the air. Push. Onye obuna also.
Jesus.
Everybody ran for their life. Hector scatter.
Jesus. Oh, this is a very big problem. Oh.
But Ada, I am in support of Zitere. I'm her fan. But Ada, if you see the guy that is dating Chizitere, oh my God, this guy is so cute. I mean, this guy is so handsome, as if God created him in heaven and sent him all the way to earth. This guy, Okulo Kalesia. But what confuses me is what that handsome man found attractive in Chizitere that made him to love her.
Amebo. And how do you know that they are dating? Instead of you left what you went there to do and be looking at a man. Eh?
That man is so handsome.
Well,
I mean,
anyway.
you haven't seen him before.
Anyway, this is not bad. She has a price. I want to be going, I beg.
Okay, you know, see Nayad.
Not going home.
Amaka, open this door. You are daring me, oh. You are there. You don't like what I will do to you. Hey, hey. Amaka. Your Highness, greetings.
Nedima. Your Majesty. What are you doing here? It's the Queen. She asked the guards to put me here. She saw me on the road, asked them to put me in the boot and brought me here.
But the gods forbid it. What is my wife?
Amaka! Hey! Amaka!
Okay. And I want me. Daring me. And I want me.
She is in my cell. Yes. I told you. I will so grind that swine. She is playing with foreigners. I will grind her. In fact, the very next time she sees me, she will not lay her filthy hands on me. I am telling you, Jimmy and Lolo Diego.
How dare you? How dare you lock up someone in this palace without my permission? How dare you?
Let me call you back, please.
I can see that you have actually gone mad in this palace. That should be the reason you have to lock up someone in this palace where I am the king without my permission. Let me have the key to that room. Give me the key.
Come and take it. Come and have it, King Orumba. Did I not tell you? Did I not? Did I not tell you not to interfere in my affairs?
That woman, to the very best of my knowledge, is your childhood friend.
What do you know about friendship? If you don't have any other thing to say, please try and change topic that will benefit us and stop talking about nobody. Because as far as I'm concerned, she is nobody. What are you talking about? That swine, I will deal with her. She will die in that cell.
Listen to me. If you want to deal with anybody, you are free. Take the person to your papa's house, to your family house, and do whatever you want to do. You cannot do anything to anybody in my palace. Give me the key.
Igborumba, stay away from me. I plead with you, stay away from me. Don't push me. Igwe, don't push me. Oh. You know my madness is second to none in this palace. Don't push me. Oh.
Why there's so much hatred? Why you? Ogini nese, no. Why is there so much hatred? Why you? Ogini nese, no. Yeah.
Brother, you are eating again. I thought you've eaten before.
What do you mean? Are you okay? Are you mad? Are you stupid? What's wrong with you? If I come on, get that from here.
Better don't finish that food though. Mama and I have not eaten anything yet.
Well, you're still talking, right?
Why did you pour me water now? Why did you pour me water?
Where is that godforsaken idiot? Where is she?
My princess.
Oh, shut up!
Thunder strike that stupid mouth of yours.
My prince, I don't understand what's going on.
Officers! Officers! Sir! Arrest this idiot. Take them out of this place.
No. Papa!
Papa! What did we do? Papa!
Take this idiot out of this place. You shut up! Arrest everything here.
What do we, Papa?
Papa!
What do we do now?
Move!
Shut up!
Move! Get this idiot out of this.
Papa, sit down. Stop him.
That includes him.
Move.
Yes.
Move! Take this idiot.
My father don't. We've not done it.
Move! Arrest him.
My father is not well. My father is not well.
Shut up!
Don't make. My father is not well.
Your father will not like this. Get out. By the time I'm done with this,
Oga, move now.
Get out! Get out of this place!
Take him away. Move. Move.
Go!
Oga, move.
I said move.
Your daughter is a thief. A damn thief!
Move.
But please listen to me. It is very dangerous. Listen, you are basically putting everyone at risk. Yes.
Olisa, you won't make her cook for you or make her come out from your house.
Yes, I want you to cook for me. Okay? But listen, as my girlfriend, I am begging.
You say? I don't agree to be your girlfriend. Why you don't want yourself? We see they study each other. Oh. We should be as your girlfriend. Calm down. Oh. Oh.
Can you please hear me out at least?
Guy, I dey wash my ear where the ear again get the ear neat. I dey hear you talk.
Okay, listen, baby. You see this fight? It is not yours. Whatever it is you took from the prince, kindly just return everything to him and let peace reign.
Make I go cook for you first. Before I go understand what you dey yarn. That hair when I give you you drink, you don't drink am.
Yes, I took it this morning.
Okay.
Oh, babe. Can you please listen? All of this is not
You
necessary.
dey worry me. I beg, give me.
Why there's so much hatred?
Emeka!
Ogini nese. Ogini nese. Why is there so much hatred? Why you? Ogini nese. Ogini nese.
Emeka!
Before you trample on someone, think about tomorrow.
What's happening
No
now?
one knows tomorrow.
How long is switched off?
No one knows it all.
Where could she have gone to? Even their father is not at home.
So much hatred. Why you? Ogini nese. Ogini nese. No. Why is there so much hatred? Why you? Ogini nese.
Amaka, I do not want to argue with you on this. I want you to give me the keys. Where is the key?
With all due respect, Igwe Orumba, I will not hand over the keys to you. I will never. Are you listening to that? I, Lolo Amaka Orumba, will not hand the keys over to you.
Your Majesty, you are not listening. Okay. She said the woman slapped her twice and pushed her in the public.
I am in a position to tell you that my wife must be the one who slapped that woman first. I know her very well. This is not the first time she will be attacking that woman and her family, even her children. What is wrong with you? You are only a queen in this kingdom. You are not the king. What right do you have to be tormenting my subjects? What right do you have to be treating them as if they are nothing? What is going on?
All right. I have done my right as the queen. Then do your worst as the king.
No, Lolo, you can't be saying that to the Majesty.
Your Majesty, Igwe, may you live long. Your Majesty, I will not take this at all. I will not accept what is happening in my brother's compound right now.
Okoro, what is happening in your brother's compound right now?
Is it not Prince Ikemba and his sister? They came with full armed policemen and arrested everybody.
You must be joking.
Your Majesty, I am not joking at all. You know my brother Okonkwo too well. He's sick, and I couldn't arrest him. And everybody in that compound.
They arrested him?
Yes!
Eh? Okonkwo, they arrested him too?
Yes. Which police station are there? Where are they now?
Your Majesty, I do not know the station. I do not know at all, but that was what I was told by eyewitnesses.
Chetachi, where are you people? Obinna's house. You and your brother should come to the palace right now. Return to the palace right now. You're arguing with me. Hand over the phone to your brother. You people should come back to the palace right now. I said hand over to... You're still arguing. Eh?
Eh? My mama? For inside boots? For palace? Dara!
Wait, what?
Hello?
What is it?
I know they cook again. I don't go.
Babe, what's happening? Talk to me.
I know they cook again. I don't want to cook again. I won't go my house.
Can you please calm down and let's talk about it? Whatever it is, let's just sit down and let's talk about it.
I don't go fit sit down. I need to go. I need to bounce.
Your Majesty, I, Iche Kata, will categorically tell you that Okonkwo's daughter, the one they call Chizitere, who act of total and gross disrespect for this noble family, attacked the prince and the princess during the youth meeting, has been found wanting. And something has to be done about it, Your Majesty.
What? Son, don't play with me. Don't you dare play with me. Let nothing happen to Declan. Are you hearing me? Let nothing happen to Okonkwo. I said you should come to the palace and you told me you're having a meeting. What useless meeting? How dare you? Who sent you to go arresting Declan? Are you mad? What? Chizitere seized your phones and car key? Look, son, you can arrest every member of the family, but nothing should happen to Declan. Are you getting what I'm saying? You are not insane. What? What? This boy hung the call on me. Why would Chizitere seize his car key and phones?
Open the gate! Open the gate! Open the gate! Open the gate! Yeah, Lolo. Get there. Igwe, now let you have respect for this full kingdom. Not only you. And the reason why they respect you now because you be a man of justice, truth and fairness. Igwe, my head won't burst too. I know they get myself. I for don't display, but they calm down because of you.
How dare you? Have you lost your mind? Have you gone mad? If you have no respect for this elder sitting down here, don't you have respect for the king of the land? We were just sitting down here discussing the impetus you exhibited before the crown prince of the land. Are you walked in here to interrupt our meetings? You must be mad.
Here, Kaka, it's okay. It's okay, please. Sit down, please. Chizitere, what is it? What is the problem? Why are you here? What happened?
Igwe, I hear say Lolo put my mama for her car boot, can't lock am for sale. Igwe, my mama, I know they use my mama play because now she they look after my sick father. I beg. Make they release my mama for me, make her come out. I beg.
And if I don't, what will happen, Chizitere? What will happen? I ask you. what will happen?
Please, just sit down. Can you just sit down, please? It's okay, silence. Just sit down.
I'm sorry, my king. This won't work. With this act of disrespect and disregard for you, I think the best thing to do right now is to bundle this lady out of this place for interrupting our meeting.
Where you? I know they follow you here, no. Go try am. Now you where they follow talk, don't be you. Don't think calm. I know well, oh. They whine.
What an insult! This girl is a mad dog. Come on, Chizitere. Oh, Chizitere. Your mother actually said it. That you will eventually come for me. Go. You have come, Abi?
Lola, what is wrong with you? Can't you listen to me when I said silence? Please.
Your Majesty.
Yes. Can you just allow me to handle this my way? Sit down. Well, Chizitere, I've heard you. Please, I need you to leave the palace. And be rest assured that your mother will be released.
Igwe. If I come out for here, my mama no come out, it no go funny. Lolo go collect.
You have to be very careful. The kind of language you utter before the king. I heard your mother is being detained and I just told you that she is going to be released. I need you to leave and I need you to leave now.
My husband should have allowed me to dislodge this girl's 32.
The people who are in positions of authority must learn how to behave. You don't go down to their level when they are down. Please.
Lolo, I think you should allow her mother to go home, please.
Never. Never. Because you don't know the issue at hand. With all due respect, my husband, I have to attend to some important aspects. Thank you.
Please, elders in council, do not be offended. I am going to attend to this. Can we please continue with our meeting now?
Now who you be, you not be God. Now who you be, you not even be king self. Problem go there if I come back again. My mama must come out. What be this?
Young lady, you're disturbing this palace. Take your noise outside. Who be this one? Hey, you leave him alone. Get her from the palace.
You follow me dey talk again. I go match you from this place.
Get her from the palace.
Now queen you be, you not be God. You not be God. I go come back and my second coming go bad. Una go hear from me.
Yeah, she say no nonsense girl. She know they look your face. Justice must be done, no matter who you be. And if you give her trouble, she go give you double. Fire for fire, and she not the fear face you. If you give her trouble, she go give
Get from this place. Nonsense. Insult me again, I will break your head. Nonsense. Ya Allah. Insult me again.
Can you imagine? Some people can be so wicked and heartless. So, because you are a prince, you came to this compound. Carry the whole family. See, this is so pure wickedness. And it is madness. What concerns my brother and the youth? What concerns him? Is this not pure wickedness?
No sense with this.
Hey.
And where are you coming from?
Don't be that stupid Lolo. She arrest my mama, she no fear. Put her for palace cell.
Chizitere, what did you just say?
Uncle Lolo, no fear. That stupid woman go arrest my mama. I don't tell them if my mama not fall out, this kingdom go fall. This kingdom no go get peace.
Yeah. So the prince did not arrest you too?
Arrest me. You know they fear.
Did I not ask you to return those items to the prince? Did I not ask you to return the phones and the car key? But what did you do? Anyways, your uncle just told me that the prince came here with the police and took your brother and your father.
See? Eh? He carried my papa away no well. My brother and sister. It don't be now. What go flow?
Chizzy.
Come here. How dare you and your brother? How dare you and your brother bring this level of humiliation to this family? How can you go and arrest the whole family? For doing what exactly? Where's your brother?
Father, why are you yelling? Did you not hear what I just said? The girl in question had the guts to take my brother's car key and phone.
Shut up! Do you think I don't know? You and your brother started by hijacking the money that was donated to the youth. For almost 1 year, that girl was making every effort to recover the money and you kept telling her stories. You think I will not hear? No, do you think I will not hear?
Honestly, Father, I do not like this tune. I do not like it at all. The girl in question insulted us. She insulted the royal family. She and her family can rot in the police cell for all I care. I mean, she had the guts to shoot at us. Who does that?
Chetachi, my own is that old man, you people should go and bring him out. He is too old to be in that cell.
Listen, which police station did you take them to? Where? And where's your brother as we speak?
Father, I do not know the police station they took them to. All I can tell you is that my brother and the policemen took them away.
Chetachi, can you kindly tell us the police station these people are?
And I said I do not know. How am I supposed to know? I had to come back immediately.
No. Can you see what my children have become? No, can you see the level of insult they are bringing to the royal family? Can you see?
You need to calm down, Your Majesty. Please calm down. I'll find out the police station they took them and I'll get back to you. Or I bail them myself.
But you just heard that.
Shut up. Shut up. Don't say anything.
Olita, open this gate. Why you go lock me inside? Eh? If you get my lock the back, the man for no fit come out. When you know say this stupid prince they with my papa will know well. They with my entire family. Open this gate now.
Babe, please calm down. Okay? Please, can you just please calm down? I'm making all the phone calls necessary. I'm trying to handle this. Can you please just let me handle this? Besides, why would you even go to the palace and fight the royal family? Why would you do that?
Which kind of rubbish question you they ask me? Open this gate, go clear their fuck up. Open this gate.
Babe, can you please listen? Can you hear me? I am trying to handle this. Babe, please listen to me. If I open
I don't want to listen to you. You the young no patter. Open the gate.
Babe, I know you too well. You are still going to fight them at the palace if I open this gate.
You know what? Open the gate. I want to tell you something.
You can say that I can hear you clearly, loud and clear.
I want to come outside. Can't talk with the team. Open the gate.
Babe, I can hear you.
Oh, listen, open this gate now. What did they walk you? Are you gonna lock me inside?
Listen,
baby. I don't like this nonsense, so.
I have told you before. Listen, I'm not going to open this gate unless I'm convinced you are fully calm. All right?
I don't want to come again. Because right now, body don't they pepper me. Open this gate. You know what? Your fuck up don't do the plenty. You don't F up too much. This relationship is over. I not do it again.
Listen, baby.
They laugh. They follow you. They smile. Open the gate. You know, open the gate. You know, go open the gate.
Babe,
you know, go open the gate.
Can you please
okay.
Take your time and Chizzy.
Far for that, sir.
But what's going to happen? How she got to know say we dey come now? How am I supposed to be answering that? Eh? How am I supposed to be answering that? She no dey be say she no dey. Mo dey comot. Mo dey comot. One hand, mo dey comot. She no dey. Mo dey go.
Thank you very much, Mr. Commissioner. Thank you for responding to me. Thank you for answering this call, and thank you for accepting to assist in a time such as this. I appreciate your gesture to my personality, my family, and my kingdom. It's all right. I am going to speak to the young girl myself, the young woman in question. I will speak to her, and trust me, I will handle this personally. Thank you. Thank you.
Honestly, Father, I don't like what you're doing. What you're doing is not nice at all. How can you order their release? That girl insulted you, Father. She insulted your throne, the royal family at large. Father, honestly, if you succeed in getting them out of that police cell, her mother will rot in the royal cell. And not just that, we'll join forces with our mother and we'll work against you.
The only thing I see here is that everyone in this palace has gone mad. All of you are crazy. Yes, but don't worry. I know exactly what I am going to do.
Father, what you're doing is not nice, oh. It's not nice.
My princess.
Did you succeed in finding his house?
Yes, my princess. I have found the young man's house address.
Good job. You can go.
Thank you, my princess.
Baby. I had a talk with the king, and as we speak, your brother and your father are on their way home. Safely. Yes.
Where do you go now?
Give me a minute.
Now, look at what you've got. Just take a look at it. Your father is in the hospital. His blood pressure is so high. What do we call this?
BP. Emeka, how it happen?
Papa fainted in the station, and he was rushed to the hospital. Even Lolo came there.
Lolo came there. Come do it now. After all the nonsense when she do, Mama, she dey mad. Where the hospital today?
At Deni clinic.
Babe, please. Go and hold her. That girl is not ordinary. She's not ordinary. Yeah. You see, Chiamaka is in the hospital with your father.
Please excuse us, the both of you.
Yes, my queen.
Okonkwo, I am sorry for what my son did to you. I am deeply sorry, okay?
Okay.
I have cleared all your POs. Alright? You soon get well.
Thank you.
Are they taking care of you well?
I'm taking care of my father. He will soon get better now.
So sorry.
Okay. Papa, Mama will soon come.
Sorry, okay?
Okay.
Mama should be on her way by now.
I should be leaving. Please do take care of yourself for me.
Okay.
Please do take care of him for me, please.
Hello, sister? Yes. Sister, it's Lolo. I don't understand this Lolo. She is holding Papa's hand, telling him what I don't know. Ha! Sister, I have not seen this one before. I don't just understand. She has been here ever since we got released. Yes, sister. Sister, she brought plenty things. She brought fruit, plenty fruit. She's just being unnecessarily nice to Papa. I have not seen this one before. Okay, you're on your way. She left. She just left a few minutes ago. Papa is sleeping. I'm taking good care of Papa now. Sister, do you know that she cleared all the hospital bills? She has paid everything. She did not remain anything for us to pay.
You took the love of my life away from me. You hurt and betrayed me, Nedima.
I did not take the love of your life away.
You're a liar. You're a liar!
Is the king, your husband, aware of why you are doing this? How can you even accuse me of taking my own husband away? After secondary school, you traveled abroad to school because you're a princess. Your parents hated Declan Okonkwo because he's poor. He's a low life. His story is nothing to write home about. So why all this? You traveled abroad to study. So why are you after me?
I left Declan only for you to get pregnant for him. A man I truly gave my virginity. Did you know the plans I have with him? Do you ever know? I was to come back and take him away.
After 15 years, war against you.
Does it matter? It doesn't matter! You stabbed me at the back. You slept and got pregnant for my man. You did!
Godunbiko, Amaka, I do not want to put you in trouble in your marriage. Biko, let me be. You are happily married to the king. You are not a queen. Leave me and Declan alone. As for Declan, he is my man. Yes, he can never be your man, not in this life or in the next life to come. It is not possible. He is mine forever. I am happily married. You are happily married.
So you think I am happily married, right? You think so? A marriage that my parents forced me into. How dare you think I am happily married? Oh no! Come on! Come and take my crown and become the queen and get married to a man you never loved all the rest of your life.
Learn to love a husband. Leave mine alone. Happy Declan Okonkwo, he is mine forever. He is my husband.
I hate you! I hate you! I hate you!
Don't dare me. Don't dare me. Leave me alone.
You're an idiot!
Leave me alone.
You're a swine!
No
You're a porcupine! You're a fool! You're an ingrate! Idiot! I paid my rent to you! You did not appreciate it!
Story. Declan is mine. Get that into this.
I feel like strangling you to death.
Don't forget the old days, I'll beat you.
You locked up a woman and you are speaking to her and you don't want to let her go?
Leave me that
key because I don't understand the kind of beast of a human that you are. You locked up a woman, you go to speak with her, and you're not letting her go? Let me have that key before I kill you here.
Never, Father. You will not kill us all in this palace. Yes, go ahead, Father. Kill us all.
Listen, I do not want to be pushed to the wall. And I don't know why you are getting involved in this. Get out of the way because your mother is the one holding the key and she has to give me that key. Don't force me. I don't want to kill you.
Father, you will do no such thing. You will do no such thing, Father. She's not giving you any key. What is all this, Father? What is all this? Why can't you allow my mother exercise her right in this kingdom as the pain of this kingdom, Father? What is this? You want my mother to let it slide? A woman has slapped my mother publicly, Father. You want my mother to let it slide? Never! What did you do, Father? You went ahead and issued a release letter. And that her stupid daughter, that good-for-nothing daughter, seized my car key. My 2 phones, Father. You want my mother to release her? It will never happen. Never!
I will be the one to say when to release her or not.
You will be the one to say when to release her?
Yes.
That's no problem. But I am going to prove to you that I am the king of this land. I am the one who is ruling over this kingdom, not you. Watch me.
You will not do anything, Igwe. Igwe Rumba, you will not do anything.
Mother, let him go.
Let
Let him go. You will not do
anything.
What is this?
No, I don't believe this. I don't.
I believe it. Yes, I believe it. What did the old woman do? Why would she put her in the boat and then land her in sail? What did she do?
You know this our Lolo has been eating on Mama Emeka for a very long time. Ever since they came back from Kano.
My dear, it's true. If not because of Papa Emeka's illness, will she even see him be tormenting her like this?
No. There's trouble. I heard that Jesus confiscated the prince's car key and 2 phones. Like this is the most strange news I've ever had.
My dear, it's shocked.
Very impossible.
It shocked me. It shocked me. But my happiness now is that I was able to reach Amaka. At least they are out of the cell. But my problem is their father. Their father is in the hospital. I pray he recovers soon.
Amen.
But that is it, that girl, her guts. Like,
my sister,
her guts is something else.
Let's leave it to the boss.
Please go ahead.
Oh. You said your boss went out?
He's not around. He's not around, and I don't know. He went out.
And you don't know when he's coming back?
I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. My boss should not come inside here. Please.
Why are you like this?
Muna, my princess.
Sit down.
Thank you, my princess.
You are sitting down. Somebody is not coming back today.
Shut up! You fool with your 2 left legs. We will sit and wait for him.
People cannot wait to. People cannot wait. People should come outside. I want to lock my gates. I'll go shout at me.
Nedima! Nedima! Where is she?
Why are you going this extreme? Why will you lock me here like a common criminal? Exactly. A common criminal. That is who you are. A legit criminal. That is what you are. Queen Amaka, you called me a common criminal. Have you forgotten how I saved you from drowning? How I stopped our schoolmates from bullying you while we were in school? Someone who sheltered you. Someone who cured your sickness. You were bleeding through the nose. My grandfather went into the bush with me at night just to get help for your cure. Have you forgotten so soon? Have you forgotten how you normally faint in my hands when we were in school and I would cry till you come back to life? I took like my sister. A sister I never had. I called you sweet names. I wrote your exams. Why are you doing this? Why? But you betrayed me. You did. It could have been someone else. This is a deep cut in the palm. If you like, name everything you did for me. How you saved me from drowning 100 times. Blah, 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 shit. Whatever you want, name it. But you crossed the line the moment you slapped the queen. That is where you got it all wrong. I am your queen. You dare not do that. So you are in for the suffering and I will not spare you.
I am so sorry. I am sorry. I want to go home and see my family.
Not today. Not now. Not any moment. Your daughter will even join you to feel my wrath. You feel you know me. You don't know me. I am a radical queen. You don't know who you stepped on her toes. I am going to tear you into pieces. Stupid.
Amaka, in one very short sentence, where is that woman? Answer me! Where is she?
Father, you're shouting. This is your family, Father. You're shouting.
What are you actually? Are you sick in the head? Where are you keeping that woman? Where is your Okonkwo's wife? Because she is not in the room where you kept her. Where is she?
Father, if she's not there, that means she has gone. Father, she has gone. Father.
Does it actually mean you are supporting your mother? Are you aware you are going to be the next king of this kingdom?
I thought you said you have the power to release her. Go and free her! Free her!
Why are you daring me? No, what exactly is wrong with you?
Father, can you stop shouting because you're not even making any point, Father? You don't even get the point, Father. What? My mother here happens to be the queen of this kingdom. And by that virtue, Father, she has every right to do whatever she wishes to her stubborn subjects.
Oh, I am disappointed in you.
That fool, that non-entity has no right whatsoever to lay a finger out on my mother. Never! Father, if I were the king, that woman would have been hanged by now.
I listen to you and I feel very sick. Can you imagine the rubbish you are saying? No. If you are sitting as the king of this kingdom, is this the kind of disjointed judgment you should be given as king? Oh, I look at you and I am convinced you are not qualified to rule as king. There is no one you are going to rule after me.
He will rule after you. It is you who does not know that I have the equal right as you in this palace. Avoid me.
Amaka, I know why I am leaving you. Do not force me to unleash the totality of the powers of the king on you. In your overall interest, Amaka, if you know where you are keeping that woman, release her. I am not going to warn you again.
You will not do it. You are not going to do this.
You don't understand. What are you talking about? Huh? My father fainted at the station. What do you want for our family? What do you want? Do you want my father to die?
Keep quiet. Let him die, I do not care. Where is your sister?
I don't know.
Shut up! She thinks she can run. Huh? She thinks she can run. I'll ask you for the last time. Where is your sister?
And I said I don't know. I don't know.
He don't know. He said he doesn't know. Chistre had the guts to confiscate my key and my 2 phones. My 2 iPhones worth millions of naira. I will not repeat myself again. Where is Chistre?
I said I don't know.
Chistre had the guts to pull a gun at me, just the way the youths, my subjects, my loyal chiefs. Take off.
Leave my clothes. Leave my clothes. Leave my clothes. I bought this clothes expensive. This clothes is very expensive. Leave my clothes. Leave my clothes. Leave my clothes. What kind of harassment is this? You lie down. Lie down. Leave me alone. Lie down. Lie down. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Ow! 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 Leave me alone. 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 Shut up. No, please leave me alone. I said, shut up. Sister is here. Sister, shut up. Sister, leave me alone.
Listen, you people better leave here now.
Move now! Move! Get out!
Yes. You! Sister, shoot him now, shoot him! Shoot him! He doesn't deserve to live, shoot him!
Wait for me!
You idiot! Idiot! You should come and fight me now!
I don't like it when you bring this out. This is very dangerous. This is a firearm! It is wrong!
Are you okay?
I'm not okay. They injured my back. I'm not okay. Look at what they've done to my fine body now.
You need to leave this village. As a matter of fact, all of you have to leave this village. I'll make plans and get all of you out of here. This place is no longer safe nor conducive for any of you. The prince has lost his mind, his mother has gone mad. The entire place is in a state of jeopardy.
Jesus, Terry. How dare you challenge the prince of this kingdom? How dare you challenge the youths of this kingdom?
Are you mad?
Why not go challenge the stupid prince? Who he be? Why will his mother kidnap my mother? For what?
Jesus, Terry. You talk to me like that?
Who you be who I no go fit talk to?
The messenger of the gods?
Which stupid messenger of the gods? If you be messenger of the gods that for your pocket, me I be native doctor on my own. On a normal, you know. I don't say herbs give you before when you treat your infection and your wife own. Don't let me say madness put for your body, oh. Because right now body they pepper me, make them release my mama.
Jesus, Terry. Now listen. I want you to go and reconcile with the prince.
If I try, I might die. If I try, make this ground swallow me. If my mother does not come out from that stupid cell, I swear to God, everywhere go there bloody, this kingdom go hot.
Jesus, Terry. Agwanti na anti anuro. Ebelisi. Isi esoruku ya wegaba.
Oga, get out from this place. Go to hell.
Mazidipe, please. Don't take it too seriously. She's just a child. I'll talk to her. I'll handle her, okay? Please.
Yeah, she say no nonsense girl. She know they look your face. Justice must be done. No matter who you be, and if you give her trouble, she go give you double.
This is an insult to. This is an insult to you and to us. Jesus, there is a nobody. There is a nobody to have done this to us. Who is she? Ha! That fool had the guts to pull a gun at me. Now, I will never let that slide. I won't let it slide.
My prince, the one way to bust my head be say, I don't know wetin they give that girl liver. I don't know where they carry her liver they come from. And I even hear say the other day she beat up one person for market. The man
Zube, shut up. Just shut up if you don't have anything to say. This is not the marketplace. This is not where she beats that man in the market. Just shut up. You are talking about something important here. You are talking about... can you provide 11 million naira? Can you provide it? 11 million naira is not a joke. What we have in that purse, the community purse now, is just 500,000 naira. Can you provide it?
I will never. I will never be challenged by a woman. I will never bring out any money. Not even a dime. She had the guts. She had the guts to seize my key, my phones. Now I can't even drive. A car I bought new. Ah! I'm losing it. I'm losing it. Oh, mad. Put you. Please. I'm going mad. How dare she stay? How dare?
Let's calm down. We have to plan. There are better ways to handle this.
Let me hear it. What is your plan? What is your strategy? Better don't say rubbish.
Please.
Let me hear it!
You shout to that, not know what to say. I heard.
She be just a cigar. She be no nonsense.
Let me hear it!
Your Majesty, this girl has done evil in this land.
she chased the youth of this land with her father's gun. And the worst of it all, she seized the car key of the prince and also his phone. She must be someone with immediate effect for gross disrespect to the youth and the crown prince of this kingdom. Ezemo, honestly, I have an idea why you are sounding this way. But I need to find out. Did you get background information or the backstory as to the reason the young woman did what she did?
Your Majesty, I don't want to know. Because she has no right whatsoever to chase the youth of this kingdom with her father's gun and also be in possession of a man's property. I suggest she must be punished. Your Majesty, what I am saying, she must be banished.
Banishment? Banishment is extreme. Ezemo, why banishment?
Oh no, you already know. Your Majesty.
Ezemo, please, I want to beg you, go back to the place. I will summon the young woman. Trust me, I will handle this.
Your Majesty, the gods have spoken.
Your Majesty, things are getting out of hand.
You are telling me? I know. And you are not going to disappoint me by sitting down here and giving me the impression you don't know where this is coming from.
But he involved the gods.
He says the more he has become more of a politician.
I can see that.
More of a politician. I know where this is coming from, and trust me, I will handle this.
You're endangering your life, Cheesy. I mean, how did you start all of this? Was all of this necessary?
I beg Olisa, keep this your advice to yourself. My head full, oh. You don't understand what happened to me right now. My father is sick and in the hospital. My mother is in the palace cell. Just keep your advice to yourself, Pico.
Cheesy, listen. You and I know that the prince will come back. Oh yes, he will. Guess what? When he returns, he might come tonight, he might come tomorrow, he might come anytime. And when he returns, he's going to try to hurt you. Cheesy, you have stepped on the lion's tail.
Lion no go sleep tonight. You see that lion, he no go rest. Hunter spirit activated. I be full-blown man, you don't know who's down near you. You don't even know who I be. I go enter that place, bring out my mama, otherwise this kingdom no go no peace. I go worry everybody. Anything we want happen, make it happen. Anything we want stop, make it stop. If the priest they come meet me tomorrow or tonight, and they wait for him, make it come. But you see that palace, I don't enter already.
Baby, listen. I am here for you. Hello, Marcus.
Sir? Oga, sir. I don't dey call your phone since wahala dey o.
What?
I dey call you, this one where they get people where they call prince, they say they be princess, yeah, and friend. They come out since o. They no wan go, say they go wait for you. And I tell them, say, you know they come back today. Say my oga come out, he travel, you know they come back today. No gree o. Those people stubborn. I know they say as woman they stubborn reach like that. Say they be princess.
Wait. You allowed a stranger into my house? Are you out of your mind?
I don't dey call you since, my oga, no vex, sir.
What princess are you talking about? Princess from what planet? Listen, I have no business with it. I am coming to the house now. I'm very close to the house. I'm coming and...
What is the meaning of this madness, young woman? I called you to come to the palace and you came this way? What is wrong with you?
I dey guard myself now. Now one life everybody gets, I no go use and play.
God!
Get this lunatic down.
Are you sick in the head? Get her down. What is wrong with you? Take her down.
Let's say you don't whine yourself. May they get you down. Let's say you don't know who stand before you. You be devil, full devil. Man, they trigger. One pull, blood go full everywhere. Life go lost. My papa na hunter in those days for Kanu. He teach me how to operate different guns. I be soldier. Don't try yourself. Don't whine.
Father, are you going to sit there and watch this lunatic insult me?
Can you be quiet? I am trying to understand what is happening here. Keep quiet.
Lola, they greet so. And they see you, you they show yourself. You no fear. You get my mama for sale. I wanna be best friends. Una go the same school together. Marry from the same village. You get mind. Put them for sale. It's not so best friend they do. I no go ever get friend for this life. But anyway, I not come here for trouble. That my mama, you go bring and come out. My mama go come out. That 11 million go come out. Otherwise, this kingdom no go no peace.
Now, I need you to explain to me the exact reason you attacked the youths who came to your compound.
One no go attack them. Your son sent people to attack me, so I had to defend myself.
Why did you confiscate his phone, Sankaki?
Oh no, what did they occur now? What did they sup now? What's up you? Why did they pretend like say you don't know the matter? Anyways, for clarity's sake, I go tell you now waiting sup. Prissy Kemba, get mind! Back 11 million when Chief Onwa give him for the development of youths in our community. He tell us say he go buy buses with the money. Say he go do many things with the money. Buses we not see. Money we not see. As no youth won't talk, I decided to question him. Oga, where the money? Where the 11 million where they give you? Make it fall out.
Shut the fuck up! Shut up! Are you trying to question my accountability? Is that what you're trying to do?
Who you be one of you question your accountability? Who you be? Who you be? You remain for house? Ma clear you. Except say I know they leave. You see that money? You go bring them out too. That money go fall out. Otherwise, I go set this kingdom on fire. That money must come out though. If let's say you don't know who they here, you see that money? You no go chop am, the money go choke you. That money go come out, you go hear this cause. Later when I write myself, give late Chief on, and I me write that letter when I make that money fall out. That money go fall out though. Congrats, oh. Your car is fine. Congratulations.
Thank you, Zerek. You know, I thought about you. Okay, so I decided to come give you 1 million naira. You know, so you can just get something for yourself.
1 million. I don't understand. What you want to do? Anyways, that's by the wayside. How far now? When you go buy the Urumba youth bus? It don't reach 3 months when Chief Owan give you the money. We never hear from you. Even youth meeting, you no call. What thing they happen?
Well, CJ, you know, I am the youth leader. Okay? I've told you before. You just have to calm down. Relax your mind. All right? I'll buy the bus. In fact, I'm going to do every other thing. All right?
No. They tell me to calm down. You get that CB. That 1 million self, what you say you want give me, I no need them. That's the honest truth. My mind dead for this bus. You need to buy the bus. If you not fit buy the 2 shuttle buses, at least buy 1 major big bus. We need bus in this community. If you not buy this bus, my mind no go rest oh. No go lie give you.
They never cease to amuse me. All right, I've heard you. All right, I'm going to buy the bus. Okay? Yes, I'll buy the bus.
If you say so.
So,
congrats again, no. This your car really makes sense, so.
Thank you.
Don't forget to buy the bus, so.
No, I promise I'll buy the bus. So can I take you for a ride?
No, carry me go any ride. Just go buy bus, come give us.
All right, no problem.
Take care.
Good night.
I people post and they post me. They post me up and down. I tell myself, say enough is enough.
Chiziteri, Prissy Kemba is the prince of this land and also the youth leader. How do you challenge him of mismanagement of funds? Do you have any proof of that? Do you?
I hear you. Ma clear, you no go fit use my head. 2 of una no go fit use my head. All of una, all the youths, una no go fit use my head. That money must come out, otherwise I go seize the 2 phones and the car key, and that's on period.
Father, audacity is driving me crazy, Father.
Now, listen to me, you young little brat. I've heard about you in this kingdom, but I choose to be silent. Not because of your mother or our past relationship. I've heard of your escapades, how you beat men of valor. I have your record. I have them.
You hear well, Lolo.
And you dare face my family? How dare you? What audacity? What temerity? What gut have you? Do you know who you want to mess with? Do you know? Now, hand me over my son's phone and car key. Hand them over to me now!
You be like say jazz dey your mouth. But even if jazz dey your mouth, madam, that jazz no go work. You go release my mama from that cell. Your son go release the money when they with am. That's why I want am.
What audacity? Igorumba, will you sit here and watch this happen? Will you?
Honestly, she's a terror. Your guts and audacity marvel me. Even as I agree you may have a point, why are you going about it the wrong way?
So I'm doing it the right way because I no be mumu. If all of them na mumu, me I no be mumu.
Okay, where are the items? The phones and the car key, where are they?
Under my custody.
Good. I want you to hand them over to me.
So I'm not vex, I don't know where it is.
How dare you?
Oh my goodness.
Please chop money. Prisinkeba go bring that money when the pake. That 11 million must fall out. My mama must come out from that cell. My mama, I know they take and play. She must come out. Otherwise, no show.
Your mother will be released. That is the assurance I'm giving you. But I need you to release the items you have under your custody.
I know fit. My mind no carry am, sir.
I am ordering you to release them now.
Sir, no vex. I no go fit.
Igorumba! Igorumba! Are you seeing this? Are you watching this happen? Are you watching? Okay.
Princess, I am still trying to understand the main purpose of this visit. Besides, it is super strange for you to be in my house for this long.
Your gate man told me that he doesn't even know when you'll be back. But then I decided to wait for you. Mona, can you leave us, please?
Sure.
Can you please tell your rude gate man to leave us? Please. You know, I have seen you a couple of times in my father's kingdom. And I've also seen you with Chizitiri. I did my findings and I found out that both of you are dating. How true is that?
That is absolutely correct. We're going on 3 months now.
Really?
Yes.
Have you taken a good look at yourself? Honestly, I must say that I am disappointed. I mean, look at you. So handsome. Look at the height. Your beautiful house. And the good business you have going for you. I mean, how can you settle for that illiterate? That tomboy? Huh?
Listen, Princess, I sincerely appreciate your concern. But I would prefer we delve into the topic of the day. Which is the purpose of your visit. Why are you here? I'm curious. I'm confused, as a matter of fact.
You don't have to be. The truth is that I have found you worthy in my sight.
Please make me understand what you're trying to say.
Okay. How else do you want me to say it
Princess,
to you?
excuse me. Listen, I do not know what you're trying to achieve with this, but whatever it is you're trying to do, I am not interested. All right? Please.
Okay, I will leave. But be rest assured that I will be back. All right? Muna?
My princess.
Let's go.
What do we call this now?
My second coming, he go bloody. If I go back to that palace again, he go mad. I'm not going to hear begging this second time. He go too bloody. I'm not going to agree, oh.
Sister, Mama is in the cell. Palace cell for that matter. Eh? You go know if you give order, make them release Mama. Now what did they off me be that?
Don't stress yourself. If I go back there again, war go there. War go there, oh, and he go bloody. If I go back again, and Mama no come out.
Sister, wait. See. I like your voltage, alright? I like your voltage. In fact, I'm in support of it. Eh? But trust me, nothing they stop. Nothing they stop! Just they show themselves because they get power. Eh? Sister?
She say no nonsense again.
You need to trap the guy.
They look your face. Justice must be done.
A little girl. A baby girl challenged you in front of everyone and you could not do anything. What a shame. This is a double shame, King Orumba.
She had a gun with her. And let us also not forget she is fighting for her right.
And what stupid right, no? I ask you. What stupid right?
You took the youth's money. Your mother put her mother in the side cell.
A subject that is under my father? An ordinary subject? My father asked her to leave the palace, just like that. No problem. I'm just watching you all. Let her continue to act.
What is going on here?
Nemo.
Trini, can you imagine? That fool, that idiot that calls herself Chisdale, she invaded the palace with a gun, demanding for the immediate release of her mother. Yes, and father asked her to leave the palace just like that.
She did what? Father! And where were the guards when all these were happening? Huh? Why did they arrest her and deal with her ruthlessly? Father, why have you become so soft all of a sudden? Why? What has she done to you?
A man does not slap the fly that perches on his scrotum. Everybody should calm down, please.
Oh no, we'll calm down for what, if I may ask? Oh, Genede. A young girl, a little brat, good for nothing girl, walked into the palace, demanding for God knows what. At the end of the day, refused to submit my son's phones and khaki. And you're telling us to calm down? No problem. We will calm down. Eh? We are coming down already.
Father, tomorrow I want that girl banished.
Exactly.
Instantly.
I want that lunatic banished out of this kingdom.
I concur.
Period.
Instantly. What is this? I can see you have a word, daughter. I can see. She will not give up until you release me from here, Zitere. She will not give up. And do not forget in a hurry I told you. So the earlier, the better. Now listen and listen good, you betrayer. You swine. You good for nothing nitwit. You poverty-stricken old haggard woman. No problem. Your daughter confiscated my son's car key and phones. And she is demanding for God knows what. Now, the God, the temerity, the nerves is what baffles me. But you know what? You shall see her end right here. I will make sure you see her end. That's a promise.
Zitere nwam. Odogunwai.
If you touch me, you will not go scot-free.
Baggers! Sister, what is it? Who are they? Una they mad. No mind these idiots. They don't know say I gallant and they dey on guard all the time. Wait, Chirukwa. Let me use the voice be that. Sister, what is going on here now? What is happening? Don't worry, nothing will stop. Go sleep. Go, I'm there for you. Go and sleep. Useless idiot. Baggers! Enter again. Enter. I go bust your belly with bullets.
It's okay. Be a man, eh?
Easy now, no, easy, no.
Sorry. You see, you are very lucky if the wound is just a scratch. The bullets did not penetrate. So in no time, you'll be fine. I'll make sure I get you some painkillers to help you get rid of the pain.
Nurse.
Yes.
My scratch dey pain like this.
Yes, it's just a scratch.
Hey!
It's okay, eh? Just be a man. Nurse, don't worry, you can leave now, eh?
It's okay.
I will get back to you.
It's
okay?
alright. It's alright. Please have a good night. It's alright. Bye.
Shameless. I'm gonna just there. You cannot shoot. You should shut your leg. You shut up! You shut up! Fools!
My prince. If you see the way this girl...
My prince, she was on guard. She was guarding her father's compound. Huh? See, before we just enter the compound immediately, bam! Gunshot. Twa! This baby screamed. So we had to run. So she was even waiting. She was at her last waiting for us to come in.
My prince, this is very painful. This thing is very, very painful though.
My prince, see, my prince, I don't understand this first. Eh? Why would your father allow her to leave the palace like that? Eh? Your father, the king, didn't even do anything to her. She just came here, ran her mouth, and she left.
We need to do something. We need to do something and we need to do it fast. I know what I'm saying. She's already gathering some youth on her side.
To do something. My prince, the worst thing is that your father, the king, is on her side. He's not even on your side. Cha.
So, my prince, this one you said now, what are we going to do?
Good night.
Eh? I say good night. Here! Oh!
Is he going?
I say good night.
Did he just leave?
No, he just went. you
now.
saw him went.
But we're in this together now.
We're in this. Nzube, I have to go.
You said?
Yes, now.
I don't understand.
I won't go.
Why you go talk that kind of thing?
This is not my father's house.
Now my father's house? You won't leave only me for here?
You say here now. You want to go outside, make cheese they catch you. Oh, you forget. She go call security for you. Join this leg. If they came for second one.
This thing what you do not make sense. I be your guy, you. You supposed to stay here with me.
My guy, stay here. This is not my father's house. This is not my house. Eh? Tomorrow we will see.
If they can't carry me for here, uncle.
So I will see you. I will see you.
What been now?
Eh? I be your guy, yo. I know.
No, Chizzy, I am not going to hang up. No. You calm down and listen to me. Listen, I don't even know what's going to happen next. Don't give me that. Don't tell me you're fine, Chizzy. Listen, it is high time we handed this matter over to the police. Let the security people do their thing. Listen, the prince is crazy. He's going to harm you. Can you just let me finish, Chizzy? Chizzy, you are putting everyone in danger. Your life is at risk. Chizzy, I cannot calm down. It is not possible. I've not been able to eat. I've not been able to do anything. Chizzy, please. Okay, Chizzy, please calm down. Chizzy, just calm down. Just listen. Listen to me. Just listen, Chizzy. Chizzy, please listen to me. Chizzy.
Chiamaka, why are you not sleeping?
I'm not feeling sleepy.
Don't tell me it's because of the gunshots.
That is more than the gunshots. Look at sister out there, having phone conversation by this hour of the night. She's not sleeping. Me, I'm no longer comfortable sleeping in this house.
You're not comfortable sleeping in your own father's house?
Yes.
Oh, really? Huh? Okay, you know what? Since you're not comfortable sleeping in your father's house, maybe you should get Papa hunting cap and mat. Then go to the evil forest. I think it will be safer there. Huh?
But I'm not joking here.
Do I look like a joker? Did I say I'm joking?
Okay. What if those people that came were armed robbers? What if they come again?
You just said something. You said our sister is out there trying to protect us and every other person with gun. Huh? And here you are, you're scared.
Is that all you can say?
Oh, okay. No, that's not all I can see. But you know what? You see what? Oh yeah, let me turn my back. Hop in. Hop in. Let me carry you and start dancing around like Tata. That you are. My friend, go inside and go and sleep. What's wrong with you?
It's not better. I even can't stand my sister at the gate and staying with you. You cannot even protect me.
Protect you. My friend, come go inside. I said go inside. Scared of what?
Marcus?
Hi, sweetheart.
Princess?
Mm-hmm.
What are you doing in my house at this time of the night? Besides, how did you get access into this house?
Oh, come off it. I have access to everything in my grasp, including my father's kingdom.
Princess,
Mm-hmm.
I'm going to ask you to leave. Can you please get up and leave?
Come off it. Don't discharge me just like that, alright? Hey. What I want from you is very simple.
What are you trying to do?
It's either you keep your cool and enjoy ourselves, or I will scream of sexual harassment.
Princess, please stop. You do not have to do this. Can you just be honorable enough and just go home? Just go home, see your parents. Please. Don't do this, Princess. I beg you. Just go. Princess, please, Princess! Princess! No.
Madam Princess, what happened?
It's not what it...
He tried to rape me! He's a monster!
It is not what it looks like. It is not...
happening here? Can somebody tell us what is happening here?
What demon has possessed this girl? Why would she come into my palace with a caterpillar? What is wrong with you? And she said with a gun again? What is this?
Igwe! I clear you say my second comic go bad. Things I dey follow you play, abi. I tell una say I know well. If I not release my mama, I go burn this palace. I go fall am.
Have you gone mad?
I don dey mad since. They find cure for the madness. They never see am. You don't know say I don dey mad today. Where is my mother?
So you look the whole of this kingdom for a place where you will go to exhibit your madness. You do not see anywhere but this palace?
I don dey mad now.
Have you gone berserk?
Igwe, I don dey mad since.
How dare you? Huh? How dare you come into my father's palace and threaten to pull down this palace? Are you mad?
Where you were be like on ripe plantain, not vex me oh. Not try am, you dey mad. I don dey mad since. My brain dey market, dey wait for my body to join am. If my mama no come out, I swear to God, una go see beast.
Now I dare you! I dare you, young lady, to pull down this palace! I dare you! Get!
Your Majesty!
What are you waiting for? Get her! Kill her now! Get her!
When they try am now, if they put body, blood go surplus for this place. Their body go surplus, when they try am. When they put body now, let's say they follow that place. I came prepared. Where is my mother?
Can you still remember when my father did the greatest magic in your life and that of your father, our king?
What do you mean?
My late grandfather cured your grandfather of his asthma. Your grandfather almost died one day, but my grandfather ran into the bush. And I still remember his exact words. He said, it will be a thing of shame that in his own existence, that the king will die of asthma. He ran into the bush, he toiled, he suffered, he prepared a herb and cured your late grandfather. And years later, my father cured your father and you as well.
It was you who cured.
No. I only gave you the herbs prepared by my father. And you got well. And today we are enemies over nothing. Why the hate? Why do you want to kill me? It is not in your destiny to marry a commoner. It is not in your destiny to marry Declan or Okonkwo. He is mine. And that is why everything played out the way it happened. Queen Amaka, learn to love the one you have. Times, memories, everything has gone by. Learn to let go. I am sorry and I'm also sad about what my daughter did. But it could have been avoided.
Mama, are you okay?
Sorry.
Why there's so much hatred? Why you? Okininese, no. Why is there so much hatred? Why you? Okininese.
Oh, Your Majesty, she must be banished. Banishment is the word. This is an insult.
Hi! It's unbelievable. I've never seen this type of a thing in my entire life. Unbelievable.
Elders, please. Let us calm down and do this meeting. The meeting is adjourned indefinitely.
She said no nonsense girl. She know they look your face. Justice must be done, no matter who you be. And if you give her trouble, she go give you double. Fire for fire, and she not the fear face you. If you give her trouble.
That is how it happened. If I could say Jack, she slapped me, and this is not the first time she's doing that.
What's the problem? Hey! Amanda! Ogini!
Pick my teeth.
Hey! How dare you disrespect my wife? And at the same time, you are disrespecting me. Both of you should stop this madness.
Allow her! You want to fight me, right?
I said, stop this madness, both of you.
Come here, what are you going on? Stupid idiot. Look, Okonkwo, tell your wife not to talk back at me whenever I am talking. I am the queen of this kingdom. I am in charge. I am your queen.
No, I said enough.
Learn how to respect me.
Stop it!
Learn to respect me. You see? Learn.
It's okay, it's okay.
What are you waiting for? Go to your face.
No, stop it! I don't like this. Stop it! It's okay, it's okay.
Get to your face. Come now.
It's okay, please. Please, it's okay. Please stop it. It's okay. Please, it's okay. I'm sorry. Please.
Okay. But since I try to challenge.
Mama Chizite.
Ogini. What is it? Ogini. Say what you want to say. I am not in the right frame of mind, and you know that. Biko.
I can't stop saying I am sorry. It is not my fault. Neither is it yours. I am begging you, please, let it be.
This madness has to stop. Okonkwo, this madness has to stop. Declan, how can a fellow woman like me come to my house and slap me? Give me that slap and not free like that because she's the queen. She's lucky that my any children were not around. She is lucky that she's there and Oria. If not, you know what would have happened? You know now. You know, and you, by the way, why did you hold me back? Why? Makagene?
You and I know why she's acting this way. That was why I have begged you to please let it be, because I don't want any of our children to get to know what is happening. Please, I am begging you, please.
Okay. I should not tell my children.
Yes.
Emma, no. You know what would have happened if I tell them. You know what will happen. You know now. You should have told me that we came back to the village for you and your lover to reunite. For you and the queen to reunite. If you have told me, you should have told me.
Will you just keep quiet?
What?
Did I put water in my mouth to talk? I have told you none of our children should get to know about this, and you are still there ranting. What does you want me to do?
Oh, I'm ranting. I'm ranting, Okuya.
Come on, get me my gist.
Come on, please.
Nonsense. Rebecca, Papa, come, let's eat. Chabaka, come and eat now. Let us come and eat.
Let me.
You are calling you to come and eat now. I don't want to hear that you finish this food though. You know what I will do to you now.
You can't just say no for food for once.
You see me you're talking to. Are you normal? What about my mama? Is not eating.
Come on, eat though.
Don't call my name again. Eat your food. Biko.
How do you see you remember that? For your mother.
Papa, this is all the food. You should come and eat.
I don't have time for you.
But then you're removing fish. Papa is here, you are removing fish. Don't even have respect for your father.
Is Papa complaining?
Becca, you are becoming something else. So, both of you should shut up.
Sorry.
What's wrong with you? My friend, come and bring this thing down. Are you okay? Are you normal?
You're coughing. I'm sorry.
Why you leave this one for us now?
Mama, this is the last food though. Mama?
Organic.
I know you don't eat much. Let me take it.
But Papa.
Hey, are you okay?
Drop the meat.
Papa said it's for the two of us.
Why Papa, wait, I want to share. Wait,
Papa,
let me share.
Papa, he will
No,
not
I will share it.
Wait,
Papa,
drop it.
Wait, I will share.
Mama, it's like you and Papa have sworn never to tell us what is happening in this house. Yes, it's like the both of you have sworn not to tell us why the two of you are keeping long faces in this house. And it's not good, oh. It's not good, Mama. Look at me now. You said I'm your last born, your loving child, yet you have refused to tell me anything.
Chiamaka.
Mama.
Apamaka. Leave me alone. I am fine.
Mama, you are not fine. You are not fine at all. It is written all over you that you are not fine. Especially you, Mama. For 3 days now, 3 good days, you have not eaten anything. You don't talk to anybody. You don't even talk to Papa. What is happening? What is the problem? Talk to somebody now. Tell us, what is it? It's not good, oh.
Chiamaka. Chiamaka.
Mama.
Chiamaka. Oh. How many times did I call you?
Mommy, I do not count though.
Because leave me alone. I said I am fine.
Fine. There's no problem. Since you have refused to talk to me, since nobody wants to talk to me in this house, there is no problem. But let me tell all of us in this house that when Sister Chizitere comes back from her Oyibo bulldozing work, I will tell her. I will tell her everything that has been happening in this house. I will tell her everything. I will not remain anyone, not even a single pin. I will tell her.
Chiamaka.
Mama.
If you tell Chizitere anything, I will do. What I will do to you, you will not like me.
Okay, fine. If you don't want me to tell her, then tell me. I'm your last born, your loving daughter. What is the problem?
Mama,
I will tell her. I will tell her.
Come on, get out from here. Let me rest. Okay.
Mama, what is the problem? I've been asking this because nobody wants to talk to me. Mama has been angry for a week now. I've never seen her like this before. I hate to see Mama like this, so what's the problem? I'm fine. Mama, you're not fine. You've not eaten for 1 week in this house. What's the problem now? Why are you sad?
But she's...
Papa, she's... Papa? Papa!
Ogini, don't do this now. Ogini, what is it? Sorry.
You don't understand. She entered my papa's house, come slap you. She dey mad.
My daughter, please calm down.
I won't understand why she go do that kind of thing.
Calm down.
No. I want to understand what did they give her moral. Why would she enter my father's house to slap my mother? What does she think she is?
Exactly. Because, Mama, I don't understand. You told me you guys were childhood friends during your days.
Yes. That our grandfather was the Onowu and her father the king of our maternal home. And you both got married into this community by accident. Then why the cruel manner towards you? Why the hate? I mean, this is questionable.
Now English you dey speak, oh. Now English you dey speak because Ajay, if I go that palace, I go return the slap.
My daughter, you will do no such thing. How dare you?
I go do am.
How dare you?
Why would she slap my mother? She go collect woto. It don't be, oh. No, make her enter that palace first. Because I go must do am.
I support you.
I support you.
Okay, Father, this is nonsense. Arrant nonsense. I keep asking what is going on. You released that woman. And you know very well that Chizitere has not even surrendered my brother's car key and phones. What is going on, Father?
Your biggest problem is that you do not even know what is coming. You see, you and your brother, that 11 million naira you took from the youths, you are going to refund it.
No way.
It won't happen.
Father, honestly, with all due respect, I have to tell you how I feel. Father, you are so annoying. Why are you irritating everyone in this household? Why? Huh? Why can't you work with your family?
Shut up. Shut up with you. Shut up there. What are you actually saying? Are you not supposed to be talking to your mother? No, you want me to tolerate injustice because I am your father? I am the king of this kingdom. And everybody is equal in my eyes. I am not going to tolerate injustice. Are you not supposed to be talking to your mother to find out the reason she is constantly antagonizing that woman? What is going on? Are they not supposed to be related together as sisters from the same Ngene village? Both of you are connected. What is this? Even Chizitere, you are talking about Chizitere. Chizitere is sharing the same maternal home with you. Why do you hate that woman so much? What is going on?
With all due respect, Your Majesty, you have shown the entire kingdom, even your family, that you are a weak man. You are a weak man. A weak man.
Okay, I maybe because I am here with you in our family, let me agree for peace to reign. You say that I amaze you, no problem. Now that you have accepted, can we talk as friends? Can you open up to me? Can you tell me the reason you hate this woman with a lot of venom that is coming right from the inside of you? Can you?
Why there's so much hatred? Why you?
Wise one. This girl is not afraid of nobody. Not even my father. She's crazy. No, the worst part of this whole shit is that my father is on her side.
Abomination. This is unacceptable.
Wise one, you know what? I need you to take her out. Okay? I need you to take her out completely. Look, just tell me what it will cost. I'm ready to pay you any amount. Please.
My prince, this is gross disrespect to the kingdom.
Wise one, I don't know. She gives me nightmares. Wise one, this girl torments me. I don't know. You know what? Why don't you just send her madness? Yes, send her madness. You know, everyone. Look, I know you can do this shit for me, okay? Please just take care of this girl. I beg you. Please. She torments me.
My prince, I understand you. Do not worry yourself anymore. I know what to do. I know.
Thank you. Thank you, Wise one.
Princess, I have told you times and times again that you are not welcome here, and your presence here will put you in trouble.
Trouble? Trouble from who exactly?
Princess, get out of my house. Just leave. And don't come back here again. Do you hear me?
I can see that you have forgotten who I am. So I am going to reintroduce myself. I am Princess Chetachi of Orumba Kingdom. And whatever I want, I get.
I know. But I have nothing in common with royalty. So...
You know, you have to count yourself lucky, for I have found you worthy in my sight. I, Princess Chetachi of Orumba Kingdom, I want you to be my newest love. I want to be the woman in your life.
Listen, Princess, you have to look for somebody else. Do you hear me? Because I have a girlfriend already. And as a matter of fact, we're about to get married. You see, all the necessary rites have been made. She is my fiancée as we speak.
Come on, baby. You know that's not gonna happen, right? You know that,
Listen to me, young lady. This is not your kingdom. This is not your father's palace. I am not your subject. Do you hear me?
I know you are not my subject.
Get out of my house.
I am the newest love in your life, my darling.
Don't touch me. Get out of my house now.
You know, for once you are right, my love. Because you are not my subject, but my lover. Fine, but I'll be back. Hmm? Mona! Mona! Mona!
Jesus.
Person go just the thief. If to say alarm sleep with me now, that's why if you manipulate me. If I no fit get mouth talk. If I no fit get mouth challenge am. Thank God though. Thank God say I keep to myself. Someone was at my back. I felt a presence. Someone was here. Show your face! Show your face! I'm not afraid of you! Show your face now!
Gods of our land. This girl is not ordinary. How did she sense I was there? She nearly caught me. My charm did not get her. Oh. I will be back. Yes, I will be back.
I need you to come to my palace. Yes, I need you to come today. I know you may be thinking that this is a trap, but I am assuring you that you are very safe. I need you to come here because I want to discuss with you. I want to understand exactly what is going on. And if you can come now that my family is not around, I will appreciate that. I am waiting.
Why there's so much hatred? Why you? Ogini nese, why is there so much hatred? Why you? Ogini nese, yeah, ayo.
What? He asked you to come to the palace? When? Yeah, I mean, what time? I mean, what time do you want us to go to the palace? It's okay. I'll just grab something and eat and freshen up, and I'll be out soon. Okay? All right, I'll see you soon. Why would he invite her for a meeting in the palace?
By this time tomorrow, you must be crippled. Kimanga
The man calls you and take it.
What did I fall like this? What did happen?
Do you take a name moon? I greet you all my fellow youths. All I'm trying to say is, let us support Chizitere. Because this revelation has never been heard or done in this land. Enough is enough. Let us all throw away our fears and face the facts. Prince Ikemba and Princess Chetachi has been eating our money, and that wickedness must stop.
Yes, I hate such behavior. I mean, how could they be eating our money and we are like this? We must show our solidarity, our support to encourage Chizitere. And as for that 11 million, it must fall out. Bam!
Yes. Now vomit it. Prince Ikemba and Princess Chetachi must provide those buses we all agreed to purchase.
Yes.
Bam. Anyways, thank you all for coming. And please, I want to plead with us all. From here, let's march to Chizitere's father's house to show her our support.
Yes.
To show her that we are behind her.
There, you are right.
Erima, you don't even need to beg us.
Oh
yeah, it's pretending now. You don't need to beg us. But me now, I would have loved to go, but I have something important to do for my grandmother. So you guys should go. I'll come and join you later.
I hope you will not disappoint.
Don't disappoint
No,
us.
when we get there now, we will not see you.
Disappoint
I know what I'm saying. Don't disappoint us.
You know me now.
EJ,
Are you sure?
no problem. So long as you are with us. So you will meet us there. Ngwa, Uje. Chizitere, Chizitere, Zitere kaigeso. Mone jeje, mona lala, Zitere kaigeso. Zitere, Zitere, Zitere kaigeso. Mone jeje, mona lala, Zitere kaigeso.
She say no nonsense again. She know they look your face. Justice must be done, no matter who you be. And if you give her trouble, she go give you double. Fire for fire, and she not the fear face.
Yes. Drink and enjoy yourself. Huh? Just enjoy yourselves. See, yes. Yes. My people. Yes. Enjoy yourselves. Huh? There is more to where this is coming from. The prince asked me personally to give you people this. Huh?
I trust him.
That one now, sure now. Enjoy yourself. Drink and enjoy yourselves. Huh? I deal with you.
Our prince must be respected.
Bam.
Yes, so whether Chizitere likes it or not, she must bow. No likely, I'm on, no likely.
Yes. Drink. Nzobe, what happened now? You're not drinking. My guy.
Sorry,
I don't right. No, now. Take something. Drink.
We did together, no worry.
Okay, no problem. My fellow youths, we need to respect the prince.
Yes, so.
We need to be formidable. We need to be strong.
Yes,
we need to unite.
Yes.
We need to support the prince to still remain as the leader, the youth leader of this kingdom.
Yes, so.
Let's forget this thing Chizitere is trying to do, to make us unseat the prince as the youth leader of this kingdom. It will not work. Our money is in safe hands.
I believe you now.
But Prince don't chop our money.
No.
Prince don't chop our money.
No. So the money is safe with the prince.
Which good hand again?
Which kind of talk be that one?
My friend, shut up and sit down there. Which kind of prince don't chop money, chop money?
Is that why we are here? My guy, drink beer if you know they
My
drink.
friend, shut up your mouth.
Person know they save am for person. Wetin dey worry you?
My friend, ain't one your man wa buogi. My friend,
Just Alpha, give me that one if you know they drink. Give me that one also. I will
see.
Give me that one also if you know want drink. Give me that one.
My friend, go and sit down in your own place. You get that?
This one I prefer bribe. Continue.
On the motor, bye bye.
Continue.
I bet cheap.
Jara.
Make you see the kiss on Yara.
You see, I want to thank two of you for challenging those idiots that just left.
They no be people now.
Trust me now.
I like it.
I know they take class now.
You see,
better one wey person dey enjoy here. They won't come.
I will split it between you two.
This one guy body say.
Oh. Ah.
But this night don't show for me.
Yes. So what you do for me? This is thanks for coming. I want you to go home or go to the village. Go to streets. If you eat alone, you die alone. So go and share to your friends. Tell them to be ready on the day of protest.
Don't worry, I go carry my family member enter there.
Good.
You go see me.
I want you people to be ready.
I'll go my maternal home, pack all of them.
That day of protest, I want them to support the prince. Go.
You go and guess who me just says go and
cook.
For
your family member.
This night don't show for me.
Good. What's the problem now? Why are you frowning? I'm trying to make this easy for us. You are just frowning your face. You didn't even drink. You were just... What is the problem now? Talk to me now.
Obinna, I know they happy.
If you know they happy, talk to your guy.
I know they happy, guy.
For where? How?
Since when this thing happen, I mean they use my money to treat myself. Please just disregard me. I dey call Prince for phone, Prince na dey boom my call. I dey text Prince for WhatsApp, Prince no dey reply my message. He dey read am but he no dey reply. That kind of thing good?
Me I know say not good. I know it is not fair. But calm down. I will go and see the prince. In short, after this meeting, I will go to the palace, see the priest, and talk to him about it.
Obinna, you see this English where you speak now? Now prince, you suppose they speak English give. I hear say they look for me everywhere for this village.
You don't mean it?
With police. If she see me now, I go land. Make me and Prince carry me come up for this village, Joe.
Carry you go where?
I don't want to go prison.
Carry you go where? You want to run with this one leg? If I came book, you want to run with this one leg?
You know better say I run with this leg, as I run with them enter cell.
You are not going anywhere. Just wait, as I told you. Calm down. I will go and talk to the prince. We'll find solution to treat your leg. You better start drinking now before something has happened with this your leg. Your leg decay, you don't drink. You'll be loose.
When I carry me come up for here, I don't tire for here.
You're not going anywhere. Okay. Let me sit and drink now. If you don't want to drink.
Finish it.
After that, I give them money.
How I go they treat myself with my money? How much I get? Not be me and you did this village.
Me and you did this village.
Are you sure of what you were telling me?
I am very sure, my princess. They're on their way to her house to show her their full support.
What? This is not happening. I mean, how did this girl succeed in dividing the youths? How?
Wait, who initiated this mission?
Who else? It's a man, Dada. My princess, they need to be arrested. They are doing too much. They are showing off.
In as much as you don't need to tell me what to do. Don't worry. I know exactly what to do. Mona,
my princess,
get into the car.
My princess, I would love to join you guys.
What did you just say?
I would love to join you guys.
As what? No, we are now of the same class, right? You don't know where you belong? Because you gave me a little information. Now you want to what? Roll with me? Are you high?
No.
Are you normal?
Yes.
won't thank you.
Marcus!
Marcus,
sir?
On no account should you open this gate for anybody. Do you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Whether Princess of Persia, Princess of Venus, Princess of Pluto, I don't care.
Okay, sir.
Do you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Apart from Chizitere, my fiancée, which you already know. If you open this gate for any other person, any intruder, I'll hand you over to the police and they'll deal with you severely.
If I never reach like that, I'm not going to open for anybody. I'm not going to open for anybody.
Open the gate for me.
You know me, I didn't even know why I met you. This your body. I know this. This. Okay. Come here. Mom. My princess, please. Please. Please, please.
Well, since you two have decided to be a complete tufiakwa to the royal family, I have brought these two able-bodied young men to rape you. You heard me right, darling. Rape you. Since you've decided not to tag along with my flesh and blood brothers' government. I mean, how dare you? It's the guts for me.
We only want the youth's money. We did not do any evil. You know we are fighting for our rights.
Shut up! Shut up! My princess, can you excuse me, please? Just a minute. My princess, instead of you ordering the boys to rape them, why don't you force them, force them to be with us, to accept to be with us? Please, my princess.
Okay, bush babies. There's something you are going to do for me. I want you to swear. Swear that you will denounce Chizitere's government and tag along with my brother's government. Are you ready to swear? Capish?
Never. I will do no such thing. I will never speak against Chizitere.
Really?
I would.
You know, my darling, I do not like repeating myself. Will you or will you not swear? Will you swear?
Never! I will never speak against Chizitere. My princess, I swear. I will not talk against the prince again.
Good girl. Swear!
Please don't kill us. Anymore. Please, my princess.
Swear!
Chizitere, I can see you have arrived with a weakness. That is good. Well, I actually called you to tell you that I am going to repay the 11 million naira that got donated to the youths that was squandered by my son.
Eh?
Yes.
Chimo?
Yes, my daughter. We have deliberated on this. You have shown resistance and doggedness of character.
His Majesty wants all this drama to stop. And still he has another thing to add.
Yes. Like I said, I am going to pay back the money. I need you to present me your account or a trusted account where you want the money to be sent. I will put the money into that account so that everything will come to an end. But most importantly, I do not want my son and my daughter to continue to function as members of the executive of the youths. I want both of them removed from the youth government. The youths should be able to appoint who their leader is, and I see in you one who can make a leader, but that is if the youths will approve. They have to form their own leadership, but my son and my daughter will not be part of it. This meeting should be kept a secret. There is no member of my family that knows about this, and I want it to remain that way.
I'll send a trusted account. Thank you, Your Majesty.
Truth is that you're not supposed to be in this meeting, but I'm just keeping you here for reasons best known to me.
My king.
Yeah. Where is he?
Greetings, Father. You sent for me.
Your items. Your phones and your car key.
How did it happen?
It happened because I am the king. I am the one who is king in this kingdom, and everything revolves around me. I need you to understand that everything is not by power. Diplomacy is king. And with diplomacy, you can actually solve all the problems. Now, I need you to understand something. From today going forward, you and your sister are permanently expunged from anything that concerns the government of the youths of this kingdom.
What? That's not possible, Father. It's not possible.
It is possible because I am the king and I am telling you what I have already approved. If I see you anywhere near that government, I will arrest you to at least prove to you that it is possible.
Father. Oh no.
I'm sorry, my prince. I'm not part of this.
Why are you looking at me? Look, can you explain how it happened? I needed you to understand that anybody who is above somebody legitimately is above that person. Onye konye, konye.
Birimma, please just accept her wish, please.
I will do no such thing.
Then you will die here in this bush. Can you imagine? Let's get out of here, please.
My princess, please, we will not allow her to bleed to death. I'm going to allow her, please.
Oh yes, she is going to die right here in this bush, and the vultures will feed on her carcass. Yes. And you, if you talk to anybody about this, I mean if you speak about this to anyone, I will send you to an early grave. And hey, I am not bluffing. Do you understand? Do you understand?
Yes, yes, yes.
My prince, I no go fit. I no go fit do am.
Why?
I no go fit date you. I like the way we just there as friends. But dating you, when it comes to sleeping with each other and doing all these sort of things, I no go fit. I no go fit knack you. But if you want to make I do anything for you as friend where we be, I go fit run am for you. But say make we dey knack, I no go fit do am.
But you're beautiful. I mean, you're very beautiful and I like you.
I no go fit oh. I take go beg you. I no go fit. No be my thing. I be won't make I use English take speak am for you. I can't do it.
Alright. I want to be the youth president. But my father is kicking strongly against it.
Why?
I don't know. But that's not my concern, okay? Look, I just want you to mobilize some youths. Okay? Come to the palace and convince them. I want us, I want the royal family to be part and parcel of the youth politics in this village.
Why me? You never to tell when my family come this village, yo.
Everyone in this village knows that you're influential. I mean, people easily like you. Okay? Moreover, you just promised that you'll do anything for me. So, this is me asking. Please.
Okay. I'll go run them for you.
Thank you.
Oh, wow.
Thank you.
You have refused to banish that girl. Rather, you are now indirectly siding her. What kind of a king are you? Eh? You are making me less of a human in this kingdom.
Amaka, I actually decided for us to have this conversation here because I wouldn't want anybody to be overhearing what we are saying. Now that we are in the comfort of our room, I want you to please explain. Can you tell me why you hate her mother so much? Why?
You see, that question is very, very irrelevant because I am not ready to answer it. Since you have refused to do the needful, let me now tell you. You see this my body? You see this my body? I can never give it to you again. You cannot eat my food or do anything with me.
Just imagine the kind of rubbish you are saying. Now, if you deny me your body, in your little mind, you believe you have hit me below the belt.
Yes, because you're a king. You even told your son and your daughter to pull out from village politics.
Because they cannot handle it. It's even good that we are discussing this now because I'm beginning to have my fear concerning who I can leave the affairs of this kingdom when I am gone. Because as far as I'm concerned, that son of yours is a fool. He hasn't got what it takes to be a king.
Look, you look me in the face and you curse your own children.
I'm not cursing anybody. I'm telling you the truth that you have continued to ignore.
It's okay. We shall see. No problem.
Amaka, if you force me, when you close your eyes and open them, another wife is here.
What's the meaning of this nonsense?
I said you will not go inside my house. For the love of Christ, what is the cause of the problem, Princess?
How dare you? The village you come from, don't you people have royalty there? Huh? Where did you dump your respect? How dare you order your gatesman not to let me inside? Are you high?
I am going to go inside my house now. And if I see anybody inside my house without my permission, that person will have themselves to blame.
Do your worst, man. Do your worst, because I'm right behind you. Do your worst. I have the fact I'm going ahead. Do your worst. What is wrong with you?
What did I tell you about strangers coming into my house?
Oga, see, wait, Oga, wait,
what did I tell you?
Explain, see. And they try not to get that. That woman, they carry weight, I swear. They carry weight.
Why am I paying you? You're supposed to be my security. You're supposed to secure this property.
I secure him now. I secure him, Oga.
You're fired.
Hey!
You hear me?
They call. Oga, see, work not there. My wife get belly. They send her twins, sir. Oga, they send her twins. This picture not see me. Hey!
Oga, sorry, no person not gonna happen again. I beg. Hey. Oh,
Wait now. Please, wait. Let's talk things out now, please. Wait.
Funachi, wetin be that? What is it now? Why they disturb my life? Wetin I do you?
Why are you shouting at me? Why are you screaming at me as if we never did anything? Didn't you enter my Jerusalem?
I don't understand. Abeg, remind me, wetin we do?
When you were busy bending my back, asking me to allow my chest touch the ground, didn't you know it was going to result to this? Now, we are expecting and we'll soon be parents.
And when you been there busy, what? They allow my friend Obinna, they bend your back, they press your back, they press your neck, they shift your leg, left, right, center. You don't know say pregnancy go enter, abi? See, I beg, I won't take God beg you. You see this thing will do me for leg. Make I no go use this anger. Take deal with you. If no person will give you belle, follow that person. No disturb my life again.
My prince, by tomorrow, she will go crippled. I promise you that. My charm has caught up with her. It's a promise.
Well, wise one, I don't know how you want to do that shit, but it sounds good.
Trust me. Trust me.
You know what? I'm not gonna say anything now, but when it works, I'm gonna show my appreciation.
Really?
Yes, wise one. Thank you. All right. Goodbye.
The prince of our land.
Obina, are you mad? Are you mad? My prince, what the fuck is wrong with you? Like, I am telling you what's on ground and you're telling me some bullshit. What the fuck do I have to do with his waist leg? What has that got to do with what my father wants me to do? My prince, nothing. Just that I don't have any money to treat bullet wounds. Nzube is broke. And he doesn't have money to treat himself too. And I don't have money for
Get
bullets.
the fuck out of my car.
My prince, no, it doesn't cut.
Let me repeat myself.
Ah,
I can see you're brainless.
Also, Brillo. Get the fuck out of my car, man! What the fuck is wrong with you? Are we fighting? Hey! For something we did for you. Okay. No problem. It's okay.
Chizitere, you said the king wants you to become the next youth president.
Yes, so, but I've not thought about it.
This is good news. At least, it's a good way to start.
It's a good news. Omame, he wants his son and his wicked twin sister to attack my daughter. No way. It will not work.
Who knows their plan? Sister, please, I'm begging you. Do not accept their offer. I am not comfortable with it.
Ah, youth leader.
Nzube.
Chizitere, I beg, forgive me. I beg. I say, I can't beg you. I hear say they look for me everywhere for this village. Now I say, I can't beg you, I beg. I don't repent. That level, I know they run am again. I beg.
Last night when I entered this compound, what did they for na mind? What did I want to do me?
Na prince, so na him send us. He said make we come kidnap you, carry you come where in day. But you come there at a lot. I will not come succeed. But you see that level, I know they run am again. I don't repent.
I talk am. I said it. I said, now Uzube voice I hear that night. Now in leg I shoot. You get like say you no die you.
Now the injury be this now. I beg, just forgive me, I beg. I beg. Wanna help me, beggar.
But I won't understand something. Why are they worship and fear this prince so much? Why?
You see why I say I am not comfortable with their offer?
You see?
It should not work, oh.
Or see youth leader.
It should not work.
Youth leader, or mamme. It should not work.
Yes. That is why I invited you to the palace. To talk to him. Because he is turning into something else. And it is affecting the family.
Thank you very much, Your Highness. Your Majesty. This is not you anymore. What has changed? What is going on, Your Majesty? How can you set free a lady that invaded the palace with a gun? How can you set her free? We were all expecting banishment for the intricacies of her actions. Oh, Your Majesty, you just let her off the hook like that. Even as I speak right now, the Queen is upset. She is highly upset.
Ishiankata, can you please do me a favor?
Sure, Your Majesty. I'm at your beck and call.
Stand up and get out of the palace before I change my mind.
Your Majesty.
Listen to me. If you fail to obey this instruction, it is going to be completely something else. Get out.
I'm sorry, Your Majesty. My Queen, I will have to take my leave right now. I doubt it is in my place to intervene in this.
How? So, Your Majesty, this is what it is now. Your Majesty, this is what you have become. Eh? This is what you have turned me into. A worthless queen. Right? Hey!
You were actually imprisoned in Nedima because of her husband, your old lover. No, were you actually thinking I will never find out? Am I not that king who should be pitied by all? How in this world will I explain that I've been living with a woman who never loved me? A woman who is actually in love with another man.
You said what? What do you mean by that?
Obina, I'm pregnant for you.
Ah! Just stop it. Stop it as you are standing. Just stop it. Okay, you think I'm a fool? You think I'm a mugu? When we were meandering around the prince, you think I don't know? Just take that pregnancy to where you know you are getting it from.
Obina, are you trying to deny me?
Deny what?
Deny
what? Oh, okay, you think I don't know? You think I'm a mugu, I'm a fool. When you were dating the prince, okay, you think nobody will know. See, I have stopped dating you a long time ago when I know you were going out with the prince. So don't even come here to tell me all this pretense. Don't start. Biko, don't say anything. Ha!
Obina, this pregnancy is yours, so I'm pregnant for you and...
It is your ancestor that has that pregnancy. It is not me. I'm not a fool. I'm not a mugu. You hear me?
Obina, you know I love you.
Just stop it, oh.
Muna! What did you and Princess do, Rima? Talk now before I use this ball to break your head now.
I don't understand. What do you mean?
Talk! I give you some seconds now.
Yes!
What did I do?
Are you mad?
Ready?
Are
Say
you
something
stupid?
now.
So you don't know how to do it, Rima? Yes! Yes!
Doctor. Oh, doctor. Can you tell me, please? What is wrong with her? What is wrong with my daughter?
She's asthmatic.
What?
Yes. And she also has traces of cancer in her blood, which I told her the last time she came for a monthly checkup.
What? Traces of what? So, doctor told you this. You kept it all to yourself. You didn't let your mother know.
Doctor, how do you mean? My twin is not just asthmatic, she has cancer. How?
I'm surprised she did not tell anybody.
Doctor, she didn't tell us, it's alright. But what can we do now? There is nothing money cannot do. We are ready to pay any amount to treat my daughter. Please.
Yes, doctor, please, any amounts. Please help us.
Okay, we'll do something about it.
Oh,
yes, we will.
Doctor, please start doing something. Start doing something, please. Can you still remember when my father did the greatest magic in your life and that of your father, our king? What do you mean? My late grandfather cured your grandfather of his asthma. Your grandfather almost died one day, but my grandfather ran into the bush. And I still remember his exact words. He said, it will be a thing of shame that in his own existence, that the king will die of asthma. He ran into the bush, he toiled, he suffered, he prepared a herb and cured your late grandfather. And years later, my father cured your father and you as well. It was you who cured? No. I only gave you the herbs prepared by my father. And you got well. And today we are enemies over nothing. Why the hate? Why do you want to kill me? It is not in your destiny to marry a commoner. It is not in your destiny to marry Declan Okonkwo. He is mine. And that is why everything played out the way it happened. Queen Amaka, Learn to love the one you have. Times, memories, everything has gone by. Learn to let go. I am sorry and I'm also sad about what my daughter did. But it could have been avoided.
Mama, are you okay?
Sorry.
Why there's so much hatred? Why you? Ogini nese, no. Why is there so much hatred? Why you? Ogini nese, no. Yeah, ayo. Hey. Before you trample on someone, think about tomorrow. No one knows tomorrow. No one knows it all.
That princess must be arrested. I don't know why they are hiding her. What she did to Irima is very, very bad.
That princess is very sick, oh.
Yeah.
You mean the princess is not feeling well?
Yes. When I entered into the palace, I saw a doctor coming out. The king affirmed that she's very sick. And as a matter of fact, she fainted inside her car on the road. You don't go lie for me now.
Sister, that could be a way of shifting the matter.
Oh.
Do not allow them to deceive you. Nothing is wrong with Princess Sheta. She is
said it.
very, very fine.
I said it.
Before you trample on someone, think about tomorrow. No one knows tomorrow. No one knows it all.
Nedima, I am losing my daughter. Apart from the asthma, the doctor said he discovered blood cancer in her system. She said my daughter is going to die soon. No. I am going to lose my daughter. No. I am going to lose my daughter.
No, Amaka, stop saying that. You will not lose your daughter. Eh? Not to worry, stop saying negative things.
I am finished.
Not to worry, I'll talk to Chizitere. You know, go.
Because
I'm finished.
Because
she'll be fine. She'll be fine.
Help me.
I will, one lamb. I will.
No.
It's okay, stop crying.
Piccolo.
Nothing will happen to her.
Mother.
Chitachi.
Chitachi, I'm here.
Mommy. Chitachi, I'm here. The mother is here.
I'm here. I'm here. I'm here. I'm here. I'm here. I'm here. I'm here. I'm here. I'm here. I'm here. I'm here. I'm here. I'm here. I'm here. I'm here. I'm here. I'm here. I'm here. I'm here. I'm here. I'm here. I'm here. I'm here. I'm here. I'm here. I'm here. I'm here. I'm here. I'm here. I'm here. I'm here. I'm here. I'm here. I'm here. I'm here. I'm here. I'm here. I'm here. I'm here. I'm here. I'm here. I'm here. I'm here. I'm here. I'm here. I'm here. I'm here. I'm here. I'm here. I'm here. I'm here. I'm here. I'm here. I'm here. I'm here. I'm here. I'm here. I'm here. I'm here. I'm here. I'm here. I'm here. I'm here. I'm here. I'm here. I'm here. I'm here. I'm here. I'm here. I'm here. I'm here. I'm here. I'm here. I'm here. I'm here. I'm here. I'm here. I'm here. I'm here. I'm here. I'm here. I'm here. I'm here. I'm here. I'm here. I'm here. I'm here. I'm here. I'm here. I'm here. I'm here. I'm here. I'm here. I'm here. I'm here. I'm here. I'm here. I'm here. I'm here. I'm here. I'm here. I'm here. I'm here. I'm here. I'm here. I'm here. I'm here. I'm here. I'm here. I'm here. I'm here. I'm here. I'm here. I'm here. I'm here. I'm here. I'm here. I'm here. I'm here. I'm here. I'm here. I'm here. I'm here. I'm here. I'm here. I'm here
Mommy. Your mom is here. No. Please. Where is my phone? Where did I put my phone? It's okay. I'm going to get my sister. I'm going to get my sister. Who's your sister? Who is your sister? Nedima has solution to this. She's definitely going to have solution to this. Let me go. Hold her. Mother, please hurry now. Hurry, please. Can you take care of her? Please hurry. I'm coming, please. Please. I'm here. Please.
My charm is already working on her. She will not survive it.
She must not die. Can't you hear me?
I cannot undo what I have done.
What the fuck is wrong with you? Are you not aware that my sister, the princess, lies critically ill at the palace? She's terribly sick and you're talking about killing someone.
You asked me to do that.
Shut the fuck up! I want her alive. She must heal my sister. If anything happens to her, I'll hold you responsible.
She will not even have the legs to walk into that palace. Not to talk of healing your sister. Wait. I think I better run and leave this kingdom before it becomes too late. Yes.
My elder sister is not going to attend to any princess. Period.
Shut up. Lizzy.
Mama, wait. I want to understand something. You and Lolo, they drag Papa.
No, I did not say that.
Enough. Chizite. Lolo and I used to be lovers when we were younger. Our parents hated seeing us together. And as a result, they flew her overseas to continue her education. One thing led to another. Mother and I got married. Take it up.
Chimo. Mama, so now I make Lolo they attack you all the time. Because of this?
Yes. But that is not why we are here. The princess is in pains. I want you to go to her and administer your herbs on her.
Mama, no talk am again. No mention am. I'm not going to give that lady any help. If she won't die, make she die. Is that the reason you called me for this meeting? Because of her? Papa, I beg her, go sleep. What is this? If she won't die, make she die. I'm not going to give her that help. Stop me kill am.
Sister, I support you. I support you. Go and sleep. Don't give her that herbs. If she wants to die, let her die. Don't give her any herbs. What goes around must surely come around. Let's learn to be good and kind to people because we do not know who will save us tomorrow. It has happened now. Mama, it has happened.
Monsieur Gwanubiko, shut up.
I think she's right, okay? She's right. Let them fly abroad, period.
Mama, I'm right. Let them fly her.
I'm feeling sleepy.
Shut up. What is the problem? Obe Chocho.
She's not crippled. This girl is not ordinary. Why then am I running out of this kingdom? My charm did not have effect on her. This girl is not ordinary. I have to go back.
No.
Mama, it's like you're not listening to my sister. What was the princess doing in her man's house? Eh? What was she doing there? Someone that's already developed interest in marrying my sister. Oh, because she's a princess. Mama, it's like you are taking side. You are taking side. It's not nice. It's not good at all.
You dey see am, Abi? You dey see am? You see that princess? Make she well first. My hand go touch am. If I catch that girl for my guy house, wetin I go do am? Make she just well first. I dey wait for am.
Calm down. Olisa said he sent her out of his house. Calm down.
I am so confused. What was she doing there in the first place?
Nah, let's forget about that one. We are trying to beg her administer some drugs to the dying princess. Forget about this talk. Forget about it.
Trying to beg who? Don't bother to beg me. You see that herbs, I no go give her to that princess. She won't die, make she die. I will never give my herbs to her.
Sister, I support you. I support you on this one. Don't give her that herbs. Don't give her. Allow her to die. Who is she self? Because she's a princess. Princess my foot. If she wants to die, let her die. Sister, I support you. Don't listen to any of them. Don't just listen to them.
See, if you're to ask for my candid advice, I suggest you save life first. I mean, the queen have been coming to the house in search of you.
Brother, are you the one saying this one? This is unlike you now. Why will you be saying that? If you don't have any other thing to say, just change topic.
I will stone you, sleep.
Emeka, please.
You might think you are talking to. Are you crazy?
Please leave her alone, please, Emeka. Please.
What are you doing at my back? No, come and talk now. Talk.
Mama, but it's not good. You should not go to my elder sister's man's house again.
Amaka, it's okay.
See?
From my man. You dey hear me? Make she stay away from my man, oh. Man where God use his right hand give me. Make she not snatch her from me. If she try, but I go down, she don't go believe her. I know well.
My daughter is dead. She is dead. My daughter is dead.
Hey, you are still here. I think so. You don't go.
I'm still here, Chizzy. I was told about the condition of the princess. Chizzy, please. Attend to the princess. I beg you in the name of everything you believe in. Please. Listen, this is me begging you. Both as your lover and as your fiancé.
Mama? Mama?
Your Majesty.
Mama? Mama?
Aren't these ones enough?
No, the main leave. I never see the main leave when you carry me come here.
It's just that we spent so much time here. What are we even looking for? Chizzy, you know that could be dangerous, right?
You don't tire.
I'm not tired, it's just... Okay, no problem. No problem.
Just wait, I will come. That's not what I'm looking for. Sitting on the front.
Your Majesty, please do have a seat.
Thank you very much, Okonkwo, for the seat, but I prefer to stand. I want to stand and wait for her to return.
Your Majesty, nothing will happen to your princess. We are praying fervently for her.
Yes, Your Majesty, nothing will happen to her.
Where is Chistere?
Ikemba.
Father. Where is Chistere?
Where is your twin sister?
She's down, Father. She's not getting any better. Where is Chistere, please?
She went to get some herbs.
Where?
Calm down, my brother.
Where? Please, let me... Father.
Yeah, she say no nonsense girl. She know they look your face. Justice must be done, no matter who you be. And if you give her trouble, she go give you double. Fire for fire, and she not the fear face you. If you give them trouble, she go give you double. She go put on water for your body, cause she say no nonsense girl. Yeah. She say no nonsense girl. Chizzy tell her no send anybody. She be justice seeker. She be no nonsense girl. She be no nonsense girl.
Go to her land. Please do not allow our princess to go just like that. I know she is very stubborn, but please, save her for us, please.
You say, but how the illness is hereditary. From her mother's side. And the same illness killed her grandmother.
Chima.
Okay, what is it?
I am not with you on this one. I'm not with you on this one.
Bah. Where are you going now? Wait for me, Joe.
Babe, I want to thank you for your good heart. You see, I knew you would heed to our plea. Thank you.
Thank God.
I'll be here.
Please, I'm sorry. Okay, I'm sorry about everything. Everything I did to you, I'm sorry.
It's okay.
No, it's not. You see, I try to harm you. I try to destroy you. But look at it now. And look at how God turned the hands of time. You are now the one saving. You know, trying to prove the doctor wrong with your gifted hands. I appreciate you.
My prince, it's okay. You're a prince, so it's alright. Don't thank me so much. It's okay.
You know, I have put up some of my lands for sale. I'm willing to return the 11 million naira. Okay? Look, I am ready to allow the youths of this kingdom choose whoever they want to lead them. Okay? My sister and I are ready to hands off anything that has to do with the politics of this village. I'm sorry. I know I was greedy and selfish. Okay, but I'm a changed person now. I'm sorry. Please.
My prince, you don't have to sell the lands. Your father has given the youths the money. The money is in safe hands now.
What did he say? My father?
Yes, he has given us the money.
Chizzy, you mean my father?
Mm-hmm.
Thank you.
Please, my daughter. This thing will make you well.
Please, my daughter, take it, please.
Sorry. Oh, sorry. No, swallow him. No, bring him out. Swallow him.
Baby, please don't.
Swallow him. No. Don't bring it out.
Don't bring him out.
Swallow him.
Please.
Hey,
please don't
bring
him.
him.
Please, because
See, I know say this thing is bitter, but swallow and manage. Oh, it will make you well.
Manage it, Mama. Manage.
Sorry.
Please.
I'm sorry. Oh, sorry. Sorry.
It's alright. It's okay. Everything will be fine. It's okay, it's okay. Sit down. It's okay.
Try. It's gradually. You'll be fine, yeah? Just try small. Try a little. You can do it. Take one leg.
You can do it, my daughter. Yeah?
Brother,
you're here. Yes, I'm here. I'm here. How are you feeling? I can see that.
Oh, thanks to her. She's really doing her best to help me.
Yes, thank you. Thank you very much. We're grateful.
Easy. Rest.
Take it easy, okay? It's okay. It's okay. Sorry.
Sorry, oh.
Sorry. Thank you. Thank you very much.
No worries.
Thank you.
It's okay.
Thank you.
It's okay.
Thank you very much.
Come on, take your medicine.
No.
You have to. You have to.
you be this?
It's me, hale and hearty.
Chimo! 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 You are well now?
I am. Ziteri, thank you so much. Honestly, without you, I don't even know what would have become of me by now. Despite everything we did to you, you still have a good heart as to treat me. Honestly, I owe you everything. No amount of gratitude can show you how much I love you. Ziteri, believe me when I say I love you now.
Now God do amo. I'm so happy for you.
Thank you.
Hey! You are well now.
I am.
Oh. Thank God. Well done.
All thanks to you. Is Papa around?
Yes.
I would like to see him.
Let's go inside now.
Yes, my beautiful daughter. Take this drink and show it to your husband. This marriage is blessed. You shall be fruitful. You shall give birth to male and female. You shall not lack resources to take care of them.
Thank you also.
Youth of Orumba Kingdom, I welcome you all to this gathering.
Welcome.
Thank you. As your newly elected escorts, our president here has something to tell us.
First of all, I welcome you all, youth of Orumba Kingdom. As your newly elected president, I want to let you guys know that by the special grace of God, we've been able to acquire 2 shuttle buses on our name.
Boza to our newly elected president. Boza! 2 for them. Boza! Boza! 3 for them. Boza! Boza! Boza!
And again, I want to promise you guys that as long as the air is above the clouds, I guarantee you guys that we will turn your lives into paradise.
She said no nonsense girl. She know they look your face. Justice must be done, no matter who you be. And if you give her trouble, she go give you double. Fire for fire, and she not the fear face you. If you give her trouble, she go give you double. She go put on water for your body, cause she say no nonsense girl. She say no nonsense girl. Lizzy tell her no send anybody. She be justice seeker. She be no nonsense girl. She be no nonsense girl. Lizzy tell her no see anybody face you. Yeah, she know send anybody you. She be just a cigar. She be no nonsense girl. She say no nonsense girl. She know they look your face. Justice must be done, no matter who you be. And if you give them trouble,